don't care says kano ubetimi na one ye se nanado nimu a ade na ekoso na ehu pa na nanado danko akofo ado aban sede we si page Ghana fo gidie e de kosoro na nema ekoso na abam se nanado anhwe ya or he will go down Ghana abakosemu any o main history mu ebeba kame akwa yese woni ne o mampani a wadi Ghana fo hwambo pa a ebi si da e wo my Ghana mu efiri bra o main enya ne fa hodie Kofi Asante makasa asemwe wo ha se na na do nya so ba obetra Ghana konwa so ombo adwuma wabo adwuma pa ne ba bibiri o ha waye some of them we can say they are unprecedented. But you see, to whom much is given, much is expected. We are near wenya, and in the why they are. Rebecca said, Nana, in case of me more than what we are seeing. Sabe, Amemo said the another nine about me anum kaino, or my penny beard. In fact, offer me ba Cambridge, and I'm a kiss at the Babet Trangana Cunyaso. We hear Israel Memu, our Coleba Bediman Penny wedding fusion. A yet denara obey bibi. So it is a fact. So man penny be out in better Ghana kunya subiano. 4 year term no so no why bibi. But ye be said dear no ye. And no na ye can to bo yes, na do buy why bi. Or man penny be no ba better Ghana kunya so e wa bra wenye bibi. Obia e be ye bibi. But the point is that bibi na why no. When you dear no why den. You know, when you're dying and a wire dying. And that is what we have to measure. And no yes, 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 why are quine? When you're saying what they are quine, near the totua, or Obinia saying what they are dying, that is the measure. And the 87.9. Now, Professor Adai said, Nana do one way, obey will be a Wabagana, or Mampania, what do my Ghana? We are more papa. Ghana for you fee. The biarada. We are what the two as two just say. And Yama would wa echoes or my Ghana mu first a teacher for. Na country anya kra when him say or call bank echo pebosia or beje na nebosia. Na at least interest rate bosian si hono akosra ebia ya geno 20%, 25%. And then bosian si hono ya geno 45%, 50%. Now waji wienso a ontimi ntua because teacher ni a waje 2,300 Ghana cedis no so bosome ye ba betew 1,200 and I ye 2,300 a bosome ne beso no ubedi say na ade bie tua o school fees say nti bosia bebre wo ho a Ghana fo age o ma dwane afri Ghana akotra UK bridge ene ukọ offices say ukọ nurses oko teachers oko even the local government ministry na no me baba ko wasi papa me office nipa na ye woni 16 isi ya kamienu nipa 16 ye kamienu obi adwane afi office wo local government o etigane ni bia nya kwanya kra otu kwan di ohia tese Cote d'Ivoire kra Ghana ni nya kwan a obetu kwan akọ wo kọ Nigeria wo kọ Singapore wo kọ Liberia wo kọ US Germany ho de na chisa busuafo nyina akwada ase bi ton wo mu fie bi ton wo ma japade obi kura de ne yire ne ma akosi awa na wo de atu kwan all because it's a hell. And that is the most dangerous thing I name about. And the professor ada some okanwie no okanwie ya na road ministry ndi abasa asem we de abo omokra pusa no omonte da many woman say Ghana ye ma road contractor ye open na kwabana ni betimi aka say ye giska 1 million Ghana cedis or pay as okanwie an wabo hwena ka ho 1 million Ghana cedis ansana ye the road contract na ma de ehu is it ade bi wo ha ya na obi nta obi a wo aka na ofia se wo yo mampani akofo ado numa so ahodo ne niema ahodo a waya obviously waya bi e che mampani dodo na aba betra so but there be an mabisa se man saying wo ye den and that is what we need to look at. and yen hwa de say dear nanado kai dear na Dr. Baumianum kai because nanado have the history one de wotena ase ohu Kwame Nkrumah ne papa no mu fie fa Kwame Nkrumah kra che ne book Kwame Nkrumah no ne papa no nyina kofo ado no do ko no ba fie di nkobo nyina no woto ohu ne wofa Akoma FM JB Dankwa eti wono no nyame adom onya nimdie a chese osua nyina wohu kan ane na mpanimfo efa so ebo brae o manyi ohu Rollins transe no danchen oba behu John Evans Satamels no timi ka say oh we are professor do little into professor do something before you die na demonstration ahodo na do to opposition na kenke ba ku timi ka say ne kenke ba ku bo yentimi first na kenke ba ku fo 50 pesos and now for kenke ba ku a 1 Ghana cedi Ghana for I am sorry in fact na do ne pray your opposition leader obepa achew edema the ruling government and the president and what so pachew on behalf of that government edema Ghana for say abina what so no one more number we di Ghana for hamo enti wo pachew on their behalf ama Ghana for say omo share boss niema maye den on ba on be ma niema yeye ene $1 dokron baako 1 Ghana cedi so he is sorry for and on behalf of the government. Now government no kura need the moral right, onya the moral courage. So on be ba be pachew akere Ghana for say ne ye ka ye ni nyina ne ye sremo ye ntimi anye ye di muhwambo enti ye pamochew Ghana for momfa nche yen. This is the president our tisu sesie. Now do dan kwa akofo ne president Osimazi no osi Kumasi adum na ma ejina wo mo shop anim wo mo bo mani an o mo su. Why? Because we've had some incompetent government to be abedi so. Now we have a savior. Now do dan kwa akofo ado. Oh, now the feelings some swamimazi everywhere. What the two of say? What mo ba wani wo mu hwambo. Nene ka ye ni ka dwuma nyina egu no he would do it. Ene dokro baako kenke baako 5 Ghana cedis. Ebinumo born 10 Ghana cedis. Kenke debi how do you call it? Kenke nkra dokro dokro baako bi wo KTI wo kwana no ha eya meta akọ fita for kotena ho no omo no mataya kakra na eja ewia ya pe ke 5 cities 10 cities okoto nwa ma okoto bad ni wotamu no ha ketuwe bi ni ye de ajewo 5 cities 8 cities okoto ene enwa baako enwa besiaba 30 Ghana cities 50 Ghana cities akrantiensa na no ye call stadium ayi baako ye 50 cities tawensam ase tienie tafre niwa. These are the things we are talking about. We go kan ebisa za na akrantie so na na ma ne boa ye dia na oba be ka so de faka obeto boko obeto nkyene obeto we owi a na wasesen na cheche wo hokra na wo sa pan cho se ma me betumi ankata tum na abeboka. This is what we are talking about. Ene me yete ase se amamuo no ba bia Ghana yete so no ye discuss any kwa se come de Ghana. So what has all these things gone? Ayeden ekohin the bahin. These are the good old professor. Eka hwasem ewo mayimu. And this is why we need to look at it. Do we are Ghana ni ayemfa party some twenchen. And let's deal with it say. E dia na nanado num hu ye ewo opposition. Now the last year's experience awadi nya ye nyina no akoye den akosi hen. Se si amena wo kasei Israel and Palestine to kwai si awu tira ben bia no wakaza so Kofi si ade ne mama ye dio Israel for the Palestine for kunti yeso om kunwie na mse brade yesu yewu Ukraine for kunwie Israel and Palestine for enra China for assetuo missiles a om nyina nso e de ko Middle East om kwa akoboa Iran sorry Iraq sorry Iran the whole world they are the largest oil producers. About 60% of the whole oil no or no mutuno omunya de ntokwa ba de ne na bobo yaya. So we are in a country when our leaders your resources na yɛne ankasa yɛwɔ no wɔkwan mu ano is not being harnessed for our development, and that is what we want to look at it. Oh my Ghana, the whole Africa, we are, in fact, first nanka South Africa, and South Africa gold swati. Ghana is the largest producer of cocoa, gold. Nanka South Africa, nanka Ghana is second. South Africa, Afriho, MSCA, Ghana is the largest producer of gold. Yatisikaso ekomdiye. This is what we can talk about. Ghana is the second largest producer of cocoa. We call the word free wa. Ghana and a woho. Se si amero ka se si ebetu lithium gold. Ewo Ghana ha. Just say you will be bia one chene bauxite, zinc, bodin. Oduman kumaja padia wa diama Ghana yensa se gu hai. Ewo arable land set everything. Yeah, sorry, see a baba here, one district, one dam, one village, one dam, one then constituency. One district, one factory. One dam, one constituency, one dam. Our northern region where yeah, how Queens in the demands one. But my me visa our comes and I want you know, and now we social media platform so and one can the Japan, Eddie Abuenia, Ekontokwa, Tia how comes in. Kokorodo, Eshirado, breaking the eight with Bawumia. Abusia, and Nevier, Mechiamuni na Mosom for Mabawa, maybe and Maba platform is when I'm saying usual of me. Say, Meta Abba platform, so sir. And that year, MS Mabaso. Mebra Ibrahim Apia, and Mebra Samuela. Emi se moye banta ewo platform so apia wan kasa yi ne yakoso wa haini na no mentam pesa meka wasam ba sabe sabe minim sanka bra apia enyem same de se ne minim the age betu de minim se wo de sabe wani afika kra tinka wo ye panyi me expect you sanka be wonye nsase obi a no kasa na wo be gina platforms na wo didi obi atem se na o magimigimi a yan kasa sa our platform so penyin kasasa mesel say we apologize kasa na be kasa platform so yan kasasa na face so masai abisa wo asem da kumi no wo audio no meti say wo say dey Kennedy Japan eboa party fo na woni mo faso Kennedy Japan wanya wo party no mu ena me kasa wo kokoko boda ni sika da wo over 500 million o pesa woji Ejuma waya yebetua neka 500 million Ghana cedi. Akoma FM 87. Apart from cocoa board no so no. Electricity poles, lights, ne meter, ono na o supply fitikufu abreso. Eneni neni na ono anoda so yes ejuma no. Eti party na aboa no, enam party no so no nya ni sika. Sabi enemi tuwe hawa kumse. Me to remember ya dey my party na me begina ho nye dey say my ya dey my party because na me wo misika kra na obi anim me party na ma ebe hu me party no so na me gina dey ne ame mesrew ne bra pia sana me di kan kae no sabi akwala bu panyi na panyi so bu akwa kasa na wo kasa ya no wan kasa yi na point of correction it is na wo kasa Kennedy o 2012 na wo na Kennedy ba me fi. Now what I mean I started say oba me fee. Na ye me say ni fee na me ni wushia 2012 mu. Oba me fee I think somewhere 2016 I started say oba me fee. Na Kennedy nkofo na omo musika omo ni omo me ka ho bia na. Da pia. Me yo hia ni a me bu me ho pa. O hia ni a me bu me ho pa ntimi fa me ni me nya fom obi ntieti ame so. Kennedy Japan what to no ye papa wi a no abeji na wi asimu ni na wa kama wi asimu ni na ati so aye papa no me na nya sa nkofo ni bi o 2012 ka say o dey ma no ka no me bisa abute na bute ka say o metue bibi kakra sa atan kwa na 500 Ghana cedi na me ka tell say me 500 Ghana cedi me ntwia because salon na o dey ma me no me ka me kuta na ho o dey say wono na die no me ti o ta korola no ho o dey say wono ni hundai na o dey ma me no etime fasika no nko na esa se Kennedy Japan ma wade enso obedu wate odi bedu wate munti minim ya na ya adachi Kennedy Japan wa bedi matem nti me nkoje nti ma nkoje ka no
enti Kennedy Japan nkofo na omo ni oma me hawa kum se me nka ho enu nti na ano obegina Christ for all mission eye dede dwa nanum ekasa wie ya okoya meti ya me di nachi eko me frek eti Hammond ni afenyo ma kenka chiro mo se asam a Kennedy Japan abaka so abekeka ni na sansem na enya no kwenti me pesa me be na me bebisa no so no kan ya nya me ncha de me kotu no eti Hammond office me bisa no me keka ma adwen so kire no because me nim se me nsa nhye nanum me nsa nhye nanum eto ntumi mbo mapampam eto omo a Kennedy Japan ehwe omo no me hawa kum se me nka ho o pa fa sa odi owe sen ni ma Kennedy Japan se me na me kan ye na ono a ogimidi oni mi na minimu no enkofo na Kennedy Japan mo omo ni oma wo mo constituency no me nka ho bi eti mi 2012 Kennedy Japan oba kaswa no na oba that to spark campaign launch and oba so me kai pa tam wo de baaye na ye ni na atete wo no baaye 2016 and osan baaye 2020 mpo de wa amba kaswa eti Kennedy Japan ni mu kwan ya me fa so amaji kaswa si wa ene nyame adom ye boy MPP seat e di kaswa ka Kennedy Japan nka ho omo na mo odwa nanu mu kire omo no me nka ho bi eti sa wa bia na wo na wa be hwe ominim nim to me nka
right so Mavis Hawa Kumsin at the time when Ghana for esu ya no dem ayesre
Akoma FM 87.9
our leaders and that's why a minister for fisheries, right? And this is what they are doing. Aquaculture. I can't so inquire your friend is saying one dam one then there was a the winya ya with me edi no. So Ghana for me worry in some way now come now your party ni then okaboso na de enkoswa no abisa say what do I do? And that is what we need to do and deal with it. And Anopay, you must be worried as a Ghanaian. JB, good morning.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Hey, your birthday. And happy birthday, special one. What's your brunya tadi? Na, and then what you are saying?
Bibi amayo.
Bibi anyama.
Bibi anyama tomu.
I said beba.
But we nim there, but bibi anyama tomu.
Beba. The other guy in the fence saying, Usu.
I go Usu. Columbus.
I want to the beba.
I said full package. Full package. Yeah, full package.
The nyamiasi. I'm quite here.
Kofi me that.
And God is always looking at us in terms of giving us life of fulfillment. And I want to believe, sir, your days should be fulfilled.
Amen.
Yes.
Amen.
You didn't come on this MPP Kennedy Japan, but one video now I say can call Naruguna
Kofi before
Sanarigu.
Yeah, before so bet to us our video no so. Me person be MPP for one question. Echna. After on the 4th,
yeah.
Say Kennedy, a flag bearer. How are they going to deal with Kennedy? How are they going to contain Kennedy? How are they going to reconcile with Kennedy? Let us be playing with them. Kofi from the top to the down,
I say,
Debut, no, it is obvious. Who supported Dr. Bawumia? Nobody cares about that. Who supported Kennedy? Nobody cares about that. Who supported Kutefri? Will be on fire. But Kofi, to this extent, a minister for that matter, except that the audio they doctored, and you all know, and I send the audio, no, be not sending on her behalf. No, why you using the voice in this one?
No, okay.
But say you no one can say dear Kofi, and you cross at the highest level without any fear or favor. Because I don't expect a minister to respond to a childish allegations or a childish comment like Noye. A minister of states, a minister in charge of fisheries.
Party platform.
Kofi, it's a party platform or whatever it is. Must you reduce yourself to that level where freak in the Japan
and you see, JB,
so embarrassing.
Young father content or saying 500 million Ghana cedis. Ewo Cocoa border. Can I ne Juma Anokra Winyankwaji?
Oh,
from Kufuor Tambe in electricity poles and meters. Ono na
supply.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
There be better we can see. Any party for no. There be any edidi.
We see Nyame na share from the one until now.
Serious.
Yes.
It is a out one when you brew bufa so near there. People are chopping. Party people are chopping.
You know, now Kofi Eko on behalf of Kennedy, Kofi Eko on behalf of Bawumia, Kofi Eko on behalf. I mean, it is so childish for a minister to respond to issues like this. God, I mean, why are we reducing Yahoo to this level just because of politics? Okay, admitted. And then say Dr. Bawumia, and we need the flag bearership now. Kennedy Japan has the base. If you go to throw them away, Obaka just say, well, we need to find for down the Munkwana. It is the party machinery, the party whoever they are. We supporting Dr. Bawumia. So China, Kennedy Ekoko Winia, almost every party the Mwana.
Now, Sanrigu party chairman Dangoma, I say on it Kennedy Japan. Our northern region at the campaign grounds in chairman at we and now a confront on say can say my chairman be 1.5 billion old cities, including car, and what they can say or evidence our own family. Now or grantee interviewing at one radio station Kumasi and now on Bisa no so at some more kind on one kind na can crank out and call for any epenabum.
Ofantokwa family presence. Kennedy ofantokwa fa no region yemi presence. No region ni na region bebia wonam no ofantokwa because o ka say chairman ni chairman mu nyina diaji brand new pick up any 1.8 billion. Kennedy see Dr. Bawumia chairman biya 1.8 billion any brand new pick up. Asante okanya na kwere obua. So me question in the time they are buying the son of car. My catcher and the say, when you have what yes, sir. Dr. Bawumia on mammy pick up and now 1 billion, now 1.8 billion. So, what kind of money panel? What kind of money panel? Asante okanya and a prayer. And yes, sir, they are but show you down. Son, I make catch channel. But then by the time they make catch on the sound of me, boys, you know, attack it, Japan. Full session. Almost say about who can I just want because you couldn't know Diana say meeting Gibiana to get the Diana pressure life you. Come down Okasano ma sorry. No, what no my go take can I Japan. Let me nimpano prepare apa attack can I Japan. Let me down. Let me go and attack Kennedy. Let me go. Police station prepared, a police station is 144 police station. Security in what you about who can I Japan? Security in block me. No security about who can I Japan because I can't get who catch it. Yeah, grow. You are no origin. That time car a family. Security in what you about who. Next time, can I Japan who can not in the Casati? I'm not sure can I Japan who down. Who's you over show they are down? Me, I'm sure you down. You know what I mean? Down, my sorry. No, what? No, my go take can I Japan? Let me nimpano prepare apa attack can I Japan. Let me down. And let me go and attack Kennedy. Let me go. Police station prepared, a police station is 144 police station. Security in what you about who can I Japan? Security in block me. No security about who can I Japan because I can't get who catch it. In ya grow. You are no origin. That time car a family. Security in what you about who. Next time, can I Japan who can not in the Casati? I'm not sure can I Japan who down. Who's you over sure they are down? Me, I'm sure you down. You know what I mean?
I'm saying for way chairman Dangoma.
Sanrigu 87.9 Kumasi.
I want to believe this is a northern region chairman, but was say on a show Kennedy Japan down. Near Kennedy Japan, a match show down. But JB, this is a serious one. Chairman is saying, and this interview was granted on Sumpa FM. Yes, let me be specific. I want to believe that. Or say, or no na, and can go for an air book in Japan about Northern region who be more.
So that's what not.
I was so creative confusion. And Kaboy is in a penabono. TNU,
Jibiana, yes. Security Bia, Jam, Press like you. Come down, Okasano, my sorry. No, what? No, my good party can I Japan. Let me Nimpano prepare Abba, attack can I Japan. Never found, and never found a attack Kennedy. Never found. Police station prepared, a police station in 144 police station. Security what you about who can I Japan? Security block me.
No, Debbie, what a or say security in Tina Brown and your security. No, let me get this clear. At your phone.
Let me Nimpano prepare Abba, attack can I Japan. Never found, and never found a attack Kennedy. Never found. Police station prepared, a police station in 144 police station.
Now watch it.
Security what you about who can I Japan? Security block me. Yes, security about who can I Japan because I can't who catch it. In your groove. Me no origin. That time car come security no what you about next time can I Japan will ban origin the Casati and not sure can I Japan will down. Who see over sure be down. Me na me show you banu. Asante and a prayer. And yes, I am but show you down. Sana me can't channel. But then by the time they make catch on the sound of me voice, you know, attack it can I Japan. A full session, almost say about who can I Japan because me couldn't know, dear, say, Jan say, meeting Jibiana, yes, security Bia, Jam, press life. Come down, Okasano, my sorry. No, what? No, my good party can I Japan. Let me Nimpano prepare Abba, attack can I Japan. Never found, and never found a attack Kennedy. Never found. Police station prepared, a police station in 144 police station. Security what you about who can I Japan? Security block me. Yes, security about who can I Japan because I can't who catch it. In your groove. Me a no origin. That time car come security no what you about who next time can I Japan will ban origin the Casati and not sure can I Japan will down. Who see over sure be down. Me na me show you down. You don't know me.
Akoma FM
right.
87.9
right. So that is the issue Ahodwa Koso and it's a serious one. JB said it's a very worrying trend. It's a constituency chairman say and yes security Kennedy.
It is so disturbing, very embarrassing, very shameful.
Say and yes security Kennedy Japan. Na security no na ama na ambo.
Eyanumdwa ofanasem so. Eyanumdwa ofanasem so. On any day, ombo mu ko share o ba bia secret place. O tumi fa de sanka kan da.
But why
Kofi Eyanumdwa ofanasem so. Kofi the reality is that and there may be as a name na ekoso within the NPP no. Justin Kodua should sit up. Also, you know, for the Nancy phone.
I think he has lost control over this.
Kofi, let us not just assume so we're losing control.
Over this situation.
Yes.
Campaign 10. No.
Over the Nancy
so no be kind. I think Untumi station. Okay, don't say look. Me catch them mo. Sponsor chairman sanka mo bia and declare open support. Nke nei anka ayikoyi. What is the name? Alan Koyi.
Yeah.
Nka yebetimi ene na akwa transfer. But ene mu nyina.
Mo say bibia.
See how matured Kodua is very matured guy, but Ninkofo na madia na gini nsem obi agumbo gumbe ko be yeden
in America at this point in time Kofi Achia emuye offer the Nancy form, the leadership of the party form Nancy form because gradually leading the party to the ditch and a set party no where o dey you find the Kofi omo to abana wi by fair means by fair means obiara te the ho ase. What do you think say with this nyema ekoso san krase same way Kennedy best race kwa campaign the Dr. Bawumia or for the NPP. Do you think that it will happen? Let's assume say it is on the other way around. Do you think say Dr. Bawumia best race kwa campaign the Kennedy? Say if you say Dr. Bawumia in person kwa kwa and then nkofo no mudi na chemo di Kennedy Japan atem.
Omudi na chi ba ombe sign.
Ombe campaign.
Unse nipa bu a ono ne number wa sign with the trim. Ombe number ombe.
Omunya san same way it is highly unnecessary. It is near me and said these are mpanyfo a omunim de. E dey na ya bi so akere mu. E dey na mu hu. E dey na mpese mu hu. The arrogance of power and that the most worry you talk to yourselves anyhow.
Enti can the cry phone be as or they chere omu. Anameboa?
Yes. Yes.
You are showing them evidence.
You just say no more airtime. Because who want to me now? Yes, I do. Open to me. This is not how you should handle yourselves. And this is the time at the party leadership, the leadership of the party. I am the CEO of the party, Justice Report Kodia. This is the time they need to set up. They should call their candidates and their people to order. Because the noise and the nuisance they are making in the system is too much. Ya brand and this senior people, some Uganda had to say, Bibi and Kosu Uganda had to say, I was on the man. And now way your China say, and now way the chairman say, chairman no me say, no, on to me craft and more craft.
But why must you say this?
Yenum Jenny Binono. Yenum Jenny Binono. Meanwhile, so I got to know how they are not the security banners on him. You see, Omunyas and Yamana Moyeno, it is highly, I don't want to use this word, but I'm at the highest level. Kofi, let's call it speed.
Because I am alarmed with that statement. Saying yes, security now. As if I didn't hear the comment.
Kofi may say, oh, to me, yana share, yanumja. Oh, to me, yana share. Share. Na Kene Japo, be between the Sakano. Party member, Edin the Sabeka Kene Japo. Then there's a new background, no way. I am not saying that he is a thing God. And I say you're a superhuman, and I say Bibisa. And I saw you're untouchable. But the reality is that contest of Mukwe, I am not the Omude Kasao. And yet by inside a blow na way to two way, na way to two way, na two way to two way, my way. No, it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. Since you are part of the Mwachemienu, whether they like it or not. Part of the Mwachemienu. Part of the Mwachemienu, no. It is so clear, say. This is the time they need to be united, they need to come together. Now, omu to me qualify for a single omu inato nyumbako. And omu inaka sembako. Eyen yomu ye.
Deba, ofantokwa pa mi presence. Kennedy ofantokwa pa nora di mi presence. Nora di jeni na. Nora di jeni bebia unam no oyentokwa because okase chairman sinu chairman mu nyina. Diaji brand new pickup any 1.8 billion. Kennedy see Dr. Bawumia chairman biya 1.8 billion any brand new pickup. Asante okanya na kwele obua. So me consensus in the time they buy and sana oka. Maka kire ne se wunya abotire nyesa. Dr. Bawumia ma me pickup ana 1 billion na 1.8 billion. So oka na kwele mani panu. Unka anakwara amani pano Asante okanya anakwara. Enye stadi amba show you down. Sana me catch down. Menim pano time they make catch down sound on me boys no attack Kenya Japan. Full session no almost say obabu Kenya Japan because me kulum no dia nim say me tin jibiana yeah secret dia me personal life no. Tam jam o kasano ma sore no what na ma go take Kenya Japan na me nimpano prepare apa atake Kenya Japan nyame kwa na me take Kennedy no nyame kwa police station prepare a police station 144 police station security ne what about who Kenya Japan security ne block me nya security be about Kenya Japan because Asante who catch it Nya agro. Me hinipa na no region. Nya that time ka asamno. Security no ho jamba bu no next time Kenya Japan wo ba no region le kasa jamba show Kenya Japan wo down. Wo see wo ba show bia down no. Me na me show you down. Me don yami.
Wow. So, but JB, there's another twist to this whole story. As I doing uncle, I was say not is no a tricky position. Say we need to love our own. And me, I think that like as a many J woman who was and near man say, yeah, the end in your cry. Or a young yadia with Friduum. Exactly. I mean, look at that open support to say, we need to declare and protect our own.
Kofi Nigerians, Nigerians. So, that's all who say, Obi, any Nigerian back. That's Nigerian for no do or more. Omun pay me sacrasem as em crow. Omun never to go so abubi. And son of Muya. Omawa go bisa say eba ne say. It is similar situation or notness. Go fi omo fa ho. Omo do so omo do ho. Na ho de. O na also ndo unu na also be na. Ndo na so your mo amase. For now. Me ko actually. Na ndi omo koto omo 26 abai. 100 over 100.
100 over 100.
Those who dey onya. Wa wasem. Omo koso anko. Omo koso anko. Ye dey say it ya. Omo ko agofi. O kan.
Akoma 87.9.
Oh, you know, you see, as a and American, the leadership of the party lose control. And secondly, the followers of these two major people, that is Kennedy Japan and Dr. Bawumia, they should be called to order because they time.
I think from next week, we're going to see more than this.
Look, Kofi here. And no never party the much.
Yeah, because say they do the peak.
And never party
we are born into Akoma.
It is so shameful.
And I think that the heat na bano
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
You ask the question, say, are these not people from the same political party? And why that kind of situation?
One interesting thing, some people before Ebufua, that's what because of Montuaba. Reconciliation is dima unlike the NDC.
Yeah.
Kofi Sobekaya. Oh, Dr. Dufour. And then Dr. Dufour, Mahama.
Dr. Dufour, because not the base, no. No,
Kofi, I understand. Irrespective of the fact that the base is Kofi, no, the reconciliation process I am very fast and quick. Reconciliation process I am very fast and quick. And Kofi, they are making it look like Bibia see that. But they're typical of MPP. Kofi Mekaya 2008 before say, no, was it 2008? President Kofi hand over power. And then Bibia no ye bufuo.
Yeah.
And no more fan to abano.
No, the point is that Dr. Dufour impact NDC mu. Na too much.
Kofi Metia say,
you do baby no not that the base no isa.
Yeah, but Kofi is also
negligible.
Or you soon influence when you Kofi Bebre.
Oh yes.
Or say you should see when you Kofi Bebre.
Yes.
And then na Kofi da so to Kofi be ka party ni. And then na Kofi kakra da so do no. And na Kofi kakra, or da so to Kofi kakra pa ka party ni. Nti Kofi do no. No two ways about say Kofi 2 kra na. They add up to the numbers. But NPP, typical of NPP anymore mono. Ni bufu so on to aba. Oh yeah, the reconciliation process the bad day.
And my worry is especially when you have a ruling party, the concentration I the bibu or minor na the ordinary what me atono because minister for fisheries and aquaculture and original platform so
now WhatsApp so that
ministers are and komo ebo adwuma office no omo nyina didi empanimfo achi a I mean omo tete basim they are all going around so you realize say adwuma na eda ho a as and company for be no, they will not do it, and what they will only do is to continue infighting. Yet, I realize now we are almost out of the system, and not term national. And as we speak, Nanando Danko is obvious. I mean, he's old, and never he takes the ministers and I can beat me I take him major decisions.
Osafuma for yinche Ronaldo.
Akoma FM 87.9
I want to believe that. So that is what we need to look at as as ɔman and me gidi say ɔman we needs what we call a plan because na metwa na mehwɛ say it is ofa even Asante region kwa project ahodo a aban ba ye was start no na oni amankwa menu edin komo
yeah sure
na all count number of roads I want in pursue so ayade ama contracts na yenwie ba kumpu so you realize say aban no attach niema bebre but ye ba yenwie aban foforo ba no so be start ni de bebre because o Asante regional uncompleted project I work mu aban bi ba no ka se mi wie no nko amen start any new project we are Asante region will never lack anything.
That is true.
Uncompleted project
that is true.
From health to road to education to whatever.
That is true.
There were hundreds of projects a baby started here. Even at the various district assemblies there were several roads projects, there were several developmental projects. Yesterday a baby buyer one kohumpo na campus wakwa kowie and one so abaye ne de all because with the road number fresher obeje 1 million to study a Professor Stephen Adai but road a ewo hoda da ne de obi agene 1 million aye den and Professor Stephen Adai dey okay enye new because Ghana highway various
this is a man or no wa ban muda I mean board chairman
he was advisory board member of the
Ghana Revenue Authority
Finance Ministry and at the same time Obabe member of the Ghana Revenue onim
he knows every details
onim the ekoso you don't need any investigation to confirm this
it's not the same Amwakwata no koka say akwanfo omoye no okrum ha no say enkoso ni na ye from the ministry
so no you know ministry for akronfo I don't know if that we can get that audio on one minister na beka say I have my people are thieves
it is that how they say
I mean why we see who are thieves and I know omote office and Professor Stephen Adai ababeka say road ministry no yeah the contract man yeah 1 million I'm quite a blame bad rules on corrupt officials at the road ministry. This was August. No. That are corrupt people. This was August. We are in August, right?
No, October.
August 2023.
Yeah, October.
August, September, October.
Yeah.
Just about 2 months ago. And say we have corrupt officials at our road ministry. Professor Stephen Adai say, yeah, the road contract name, omuji 1 million. Dear Papa Ika ni dear road minister.
Okay, difference
home. I would say serious and a yoko and mechanic. I mean, the hypocrisy of this country.
We are tired of these people. We are tired. We are just tired. I mean, I said kasa de dos dodo. Munya jumano. Do the work. Munya jumano na munya kasa bebrebe because Kofi it is giving us headache. Nyema nko ye dada. It's like kakra na monsa kan mo fa ye jumano na ka Ghana for ho nto. Na munya kasa de ntokwa hunu ne nasefo amoye because look it is giving us a lot of headache. Headache na cause we krom na dos dodo. This is an OP secret. Onu him. He knows it. Say the corrupt officials within his government. It is getting too much. And enya road ministry kwa almost every single ministry. Sadema will cost kickbacks. What they need to kickbacks. First na 10%. 10% na do 120 said on why no upfront money. First bra. And a lot of them are losing their contract because they don't have upfront money. Yenim, any OP secret. This is an OP secret. Why are they pretending?
We have a government. Any road ma. Amwakwata. That story. No, kind that story. Amwakwata de no. Na ye met you for NTSS. The minister na nkasa enye Professor Adai ena eka. We had the minister himself saying, say, my people are corrupt and they are being corrupt.
Amwakwata blames bad rules on corrupt officials at road ministry. And you're number one. There are a lot of corrupt people and thieves in my ministry. Amwakwata, road minister.
So I mean, and Stephen Adai say, Ubiji 1 million. Was hey it's not true.
It is not news. It is not news, but just that I say they are trying to make it look like as I didn't know no crack. And now we yet you said that Dr. Baumiana cracker said over so to corruption. I said to say no opamu free Ghana. And then I ordered on person much. These are not PCB. Let's look at how we are going to resolve issues and make Ghana work again. It will not bring anything on the table.
What contracts will be given to you, provided you put 1 million upfront, not that when you get your money. Then, and this is what Akufo-Addo must be thinking about, and if he knows about it, must be ashamed of. That now his people demand from you a certain amount before you be considered for the job. Why? Because then when they get it, whether the government pays you or not, they have gotten their money. As if people are in a hurry to loot the country before the end of Akufo-Addo's term. One of the greatest disappointment of Nana Akufo-Addo's regime is that, honestly, he raised the hope of Ghanaians. Ghanaians expected that we had gotten the leader with a vision, with the charisma, with the determination. And it seems if he doesn't redeem himself in the next 14 months, he will go down in history of one of the most disappointing leaders. And what the corruption, the arrogance, they think that there is Ghana is for them, and that without them Ghana would not be there. Even some of them thinking that they should tell us who should be our next president. God forbid. The nurses and the teachers, who constituted about 75% of public service, will go for loans, and because they were public servants, it was assured. Now they are run away, and they can't pay. So have to chase them to London, to America, and everything. So the small banks, I know one which has about 7 million Ghana sitting that there is Ghana is for them, and that without them Ghana would not be there. Even some of them thinking that they should tell us who should be our next president. God forbid. The nurses and the teachers, who constituted about 75% of public service, will go for loans. And because they were public servants, it was assured. Now they are run away, and they can't pay. So have to chase them to London, to America, and everything. So the small banks, I know one which has about 7 million Ghana cedis. They are chasing. They have to write off.
He anticipates that citizens will.
Okay. Now we Professor Stephen Adai. Now one kasa ti Uram Wakwanta, the road minister na kasa.
Drivers, what they cannot do in their own countries, they do it here with impunity, because we have some of our unpatriotic brothers and sisters who prefer money to protecting our road infrastructure. There are people in my own ministry who are involved in this kind of thing. There are a lot of corrupt people, there are a lot of thieves in my own ministry. You sack them, you employ new ones, and when they come, the new ones are even worse than those that you sack. What sort of country are we building for ourselves?
Observer, etime pacho say utie the Amwakwata candidate Professor Stephen Adai. Difference better. But no, listen again.
And these drivers, what they cannot do in their own countries, they do it here with impunity, because we have some of our unpatriotic brothers and sisters who prefer money to protecting our road infrastructure. There are people in my own ministry who are involved in this kind of thing. There are a lot of corrupt people, there are a lot of thieves in my own ministry. You sack them, you employ new ones, and when they come, the new ones are even worse than those that you sack. What sort of country are we building for ourselves?
Observer, ahaya Akoma 87.9 FM within the Aduanaba, Kofi, Asante, Ennin, and Yabekwa Homaso na yene the PR Adama Road Ministry, that is Ministry of Roads and Highways, Edin Kobo. Nasir Ahmed yate ono na a sign
87.9
a statement enra ebaye in response to Professor Stephen Adai allegations ahodoa waye. My brother, my memo atomo akwa Bamra Akoma FM.
I'm patcha me da say me sanso chia o ne team ni o phone na.
Fantastic. Why the statement abase Yoko and your investigation into the allegations? Exactly then Yoko kwakore. Where is it? Is it more for Professor Adai? And I said, where are they beginning from?
And then the part two, the kind of before me about question is the kind of allegation from a very serious allegation. At least yeah, as a ministry, you're taking it very, very serious. Yeah, as a ministry, no, you need who to me say about that allegation, no, in Shishemu. The same thing that could die institutional, you know, Ghana for you see her say, I dear friends say organized crime or more and India, ne Akodia or making in Shishemu. Nti no ye ya oka asem no fire hon ye na ye bi asem na kodan se ye fremo sa asem ya yake mon hwehwe mu maye na monye ho investigation obi bia or involve bia se no kodu mu obi bia mo investigate na ne kwawo mu fan tuja se na be ya se ya no kwen no oka omo ye involved no you be your brad you don't be fine because yeah to me yeah allegations in Janice I was say yeah
but you share the substance of the issue. Has it ever come to the attention of the minister said contract ebinomoje kickbacks of 1 million and sakra na affront and sana awards road no cry oma award do you have that come to the attention of the minister
and then that prof and I buy your attention they are done the relevant institutions of Munchushemu
before the
minister lawyer
yeah
and the issue of our image our integrity no idea who here pa the same thing so be here allegation damn say ya who be here say yebema the relevant institution ayen hwehwemu na no kra wo mu no omo de abetoja.
Now just for the purpose of clarity ne affirmation of Nkoma Yedi 1 minute till we mama na
and these drivers what they cannot do in their own countries they do it here with impunity because we have some of our unpatriotic brothers and sisters who prefer money to protecting our road infrastructure. There are people in my own ministry who are involved in this kind of thing. There are a lot of corrupt people, there are a lot of thieves in my own ministry. You sack them, you employ new ones, and when they come, the new ones are even worse than those that you sack. What sort of country are we building for ourselves?
I then I say, when your minister himself already have confirmed that there are corrupt officials one oh,
sir, Ejao, say na you see Fibia means a womb. Yeah, very important. It's Unsaka means and then now, this is a minister on Shady Obia. Waka to ja as the load for while who trust a Kesiamunam Quine so I was say yawa as the load for a fine conform more stations also mu check to overload police for Wakwem. I didn't like a minister from Kwan because the minister no on dinner pot or Mamu Lodi trucks na minister in dinner hall. So trucks nam Quine so minister in dinner hall. There were various state institutions also moved one and settled Anyamawi. So it goes against me no. But if it comes to the good thing is that back to the attention of the minister, he takes action on it. Okay, so you sack them. On the second conform he took action. I'm up on me and conform for. In conform for say if they are involved in any corrupt deed, they will be sacked. So this is a minister. He doesn't condone nonsense. The same thing that I say we buy and I say we there. I say Franco down the appropriate authorities and they are no minister.
But the solution to Obi Oya corrupt second. Is that what you mean?
No, me can say apart from other impunitive actions are we taking. The most important thing is when you need to free her. The law must deal with the person, but when you need to free her, we should be happy as Ghanaians say we have a minister. He is so condoning corruption. The first and foremost thing is that you will free. The outside now, why corrupt? You will free. That's the first thing. Let us also say Emperor Wundi. Or no, as a minister, no near everyone to me. Over to me, one only say you will. But you will be real. Yeah, I can't say Emperor Wundi.
So yes. Before these allegations by the good old professor, has there been a point Minister Arefe will be after being sacked to the various appropriate authorities for the law to take its course in an alleged corrupt act, Anna?
Of course, sir. I will for you don't national security for investigation and prosecution.
Okay.
They were sacked and they were given to national security. And what documentation will be there? And so, as a ministry, we don't condone such things. They are not kind of central, but as a ministry, are really interested in protecting our reputation. You're making sure that such allegations are properly investigated. And making a minister as Akoma, the relevant institutions so I'm investigating issue.
So the expected outcome of this referral, what exactly is the minister expecting?
The minister is expecting an investigation. You how they conduct their investigation. As a ministry, we cannot say how I'm conduct some investigation. I'm not more to me Acadia, investigation. And they are set up for some now, Obi as a minister can have a friend and somebody in Semana. Yes, Obi and a woman, young friend. Young minister in your beer or Kaka Boneso. I didn't be dead. So they take now, boy, and on one and the new tone and all can say, make the kiss ashing way. It's a new Obia, Obaka, some Afano, and now who said Bonnie be Cosso, now a Kata, so they be on your side, Nipano. And as a ministry, so yes, so maybe
so comment here, Professor Dekai, has it affected the ministry in any way, Anna?
Oh, affect the idea. Obi can be and American. Our image is very important to us as a ministry. Our integrity is very important. So Obi can assembly say ya. Who may he answer Yabema if you should mark also. Send a bear. Obi or me know you minister and you be there no him. Obi anano kredu wom. E be dey there. You cannot get involved. Let you taking on. So the crowd be so anymore. You
are 100% right here.
Yes.
I understand your position, but considering allegations of corruption and in the air cost, you said in your statement, the issue of offenders saying award of contract, open, transparent. There have been several concerns of sourcing and several other issues leading to corruption I mean, over the period, we've had several sole sourcing contract being awarded. Where audit service, Crono, Public Accounts Committee, order. What attempt and a ministry near to ensure say about these issues of corruption?
Again, the institutions some usually. So all tender process, open, transparent. According to Umbra. So into the institutions to the check and balances. Institutions almost check it, they conduct procurement authority, almost share your BBM, almost go ahead and sign take steps. Your BBM, the report called parliamentary committee, audit committee, etc. There are various check and balances at any point in time. No, almost review Nama and any state institution area. What's my say? It's from so the appropriate state institution will point it out and deal with it. But when no acquire a wild allegation, if you say yen to mean Janice, I will tell you send you could be one and lady, send you could be any Musa and lady.
Mr. Yate, I don't pay my endawase. Majidi sir, we will wait for the outcome from Yoko. Yes, Nyamea Dumwa, Mr. Within the week, I'll call you to get us some updates on some routes ewu Kumasi, specifically Anyang Kwanta Santasi stretch, Asabia Road, Oyen War, Denchemoso, Techimine, and several other road war I so Atman Kwawoma area. Because we didn't prompt you, I will let the production forward these routes to you. Now Wamayenya some update maybe Aqua could do. Many of them appear to have been abandoned. And we would want to get details from your outfit. Why? I'm grateful, my brother, for your time. Thank you very much. Nasir, so we PR for the road ministry. Nine your man may say your Percy a baby a road now. The
MP no cry issue. Edness a good to say no Wako minister or minister crab and the quite. Empress will be who no. PR on the yes, Casaka.
Mamma Minia JB Dankwa Akwaba. Edini Mood. JB Dankwa. You looking smart. Now me na man ebo posters war from Akoma House Stadium Benina. Just what yes ya squakra constituency. O jide ukrim. Just I say na be there na what found papa and everywhere. Just say JB for ampo senior would you din ewo Kumasi abonten so o da bi we dey wa brobe
obi a oboku fi Asante wo Kumasi Ghana ha obi ani
no but
Aduanaba
why is question here take
87.9 Kumasi
everywhere
no but I was like I did see JB Dankwa or say ya throw the development and critical day but there was the day
developing the people in the community and I keep on saying people development is community development.
Okay, developing the people
and
community. So, what is it? Agenda Ben will set up. Because I didn't see any party of anything. What you for you so? Yeah.
You may be there.
Okay. Yes.
Developing people and community. The motto actually is people development is community development.
Okay.
So say any pan puntu and a or mine puntu. So any pan chumpon or mine chumpon. And no na adibia me bia no na fapping.
Okay.
Adibia jebi dan kwa uso we bia enipa na de adie nyina. Edi nipa na chichiri kru, edi nipa na chichiri adwuma, edi nipa na chichiri busua. Enipa na de adie nyina.
Okay.
Enti o ma bia pese tumpon bia no. Also making sure say emu nipa ankrankre ebusuaku enyumoku etumpon ena di impuntu ebeba oman mu eno na ye me fapping efiri emra mere to makoma so say mesum subi pese subi na mama yɛ sedemti efiri bɛ 2015
yeah
dwumadie bi a medie bi akyɛ sɛ me nipa ho adwene me do nipa nti me tu nipa ho anamɔ ɛno na ma bɔ no tɔfa ɛne sɛ nipa mpuntuo na yɛ ɔman mpuntuo ɛne ho dwumadie na yɛdie yɛyɛ de bɛbɔ subi ma na ma subi atumpɔn na ma asante ma atumpɔn na Ghana atumpɔn ɛne ne hian
mo bi afra burukyira ba betna kroma I mean way back 2014 me di hu was it 15 or 2014 yes and I me di hu wa na that time na ice na wo who say I stayed in there rich and you had a good heart and a good cause so but appear say what the taria was subia your political party you still look at Nipam Puntu development was subing how has it been at the constituency will impact in terms of party activities?
I'm looking at my impact. Me since me no.
Okay.
I will nipa so, nya party so.
Okay.
I will subin so, nya party so. Me hu ne say adie bia pesa wo ya oso nya ho abotre. Me say eche asa nipa start. Afi ne me hu subin for etemase.
Oh okay.
Yes, o ma hu say no Akoma pampa enye se na midimnika bi bepe MP di keke ne mmom wo nipa bi wo mu ampese me de bo subin enti nipa na asase etemase se metima aka sisidia se mo nipa di mechi usubin a enya political party movement bia nipa a omo do me keke a bibia me ye bia omo no me ye ye oje bi dan kwa fan club branches no about 14
subin
electoral area bia bi ho ba bi okwa mienu wo ho a omo nyina ehyiam ekon ho bom dwumadie bi pese bi am no kam bom ema ebaso so be kai a ye clean up the whole Subi constituency sani pani di machi me say dwumadie ni nyina e de share Subi anyimonyam enti afei na enipa atemase hu se Subi betumpon agi se obi yi ne ho si o tu ne ho si o e de obo afode no amma se obedidi amma se obepe bibia hye ne botom amma se obelord over the people obe ne ho nana kanka bi na mom obie ne ho amanipa etunifo amanipa ka asem kyene wotie no owotema wodo amanipa ono ne betima yesa adwuma no no mahu se jebi dankwa na wosa ne no wosa suban no ti se mahu se nipa temase ti bia mefa bia enem na nkromkra nkwada akura ti bom din eti because jebi ne subi ne no omudi wati 87 mahu se subi mpuntuo na ye aduane amedie subi nkoso na medadwene eno nti jemi ye bia no se nipa som eboa me ama eyeye na me say ebeyeye
obako BM 2024 will you stand as a member of parliament will be?
Yes adia
on the ticket of MPP
mejina subi ami atum so aba ekwan bia so say your party ticket so say your party ticket so mejina sa mene na ye declare no nyanduru ho but the person me say subi fo nkran ni say omunya woda so say afi nasa feda ombehu jebi dan kwanim or ballot
with or without party
ombehu manim
with or without party
whatever the case
no but say you go for primaries it's a primaries and if you don't win I mean you won't even call representative party
me say Kofi ade am ye BCC a free say e sha say 2023 2022 fitiase no a me tu anamo ye nyuma bebre de boa subin me nya no party bia ticket so
okay
jama kan say me boa me man me ntwa party o party bia o Ghana bia beto Ghana na me hu so say party bebre omudwumadie no it is just about the party
oh
ba me medwumadie
including MPP
party ni nyina me so medwumadie
party say what Ghana is just about their
omukasa yati party for my kasa.
No, but JP Dankwa, you are a member of the MPP. Not just a member, a strong member.
Yes.
A parliamentary aspirant.
I'm telling you, I don't worship a party. I serve my nation. And remember, idea ye Ghana here some no. I may hear some first as an party.
Yes, ya boani takra and a money ye kesiye. But takra boni di efenye na mkwatre kwa. You are on the shoulders.
Abuano takra no.
Use the microphone.
Sana ya chichemu aka say ye MPP NDC ye PPP o CPP na say ye chichemu wie na masa chichemu no hia ye se omana ni ya yera kwan me ni anifrafo achi se me hu se medimochi na me hu se mu ni fra me ni mochi biem sana pese obi ati ase
I for na do mo ni fra
me diga na achi Ghana ni fra
no but you are following MPP
yes I'm a registered member
member of MPP
but I'm telling you sir if
for 2 terms last time na wako ya your boy Gumbe
I've been a chairman of the party in diaspora no but I'm telling you sir you hear me Ghana first nya MPP nya NDC nya bi Ghana first enti yes me MPP ni but MPP ya de na me say mfa kwam mo Ghana me ni akiri
I didn't MPP I would you say in Fakwem since the bar power.
Me MPP tinamba me ba Subin for tinamba.
No, but Subin is there and you are there because people have got to know you because MPP.
No, the entire for whom in MPP.
Sir. Of course, who baby deny
MPP can home. MPP tia. Manamo tu amachu Subin.
I was Subin.
And how many per whom?
As a way you party ama.
Minji party ama. Me say, the minima e Ghana.
Okay.
Say MPP ni mo mu ye bia e Ghana dia me di akire 100%. But so mu ye bibi. And I say ade bi o se ye na Ghana tumpon na say MPP dia metie sinche ma ye. Me wie na MPP bibi na o se ko kan ho ni aye. I am working for Ghana, not any party, not anybody. I don't serve or worship any human being. I serve my nation, Ghana, and God.
But this is a constituency without MPP. Who co-independent diggerigrawama. You can't win.
One can't say
that the fact is that
say subin for MPP and Tomu Nchomuka. NDC Tomu Nchomuka. People of Subin are not slave to any political party. People of Subin are Ghana for. The ebeye ya momo, the beko ya momo, the ebabo mo eno be di akiri. Saa adwene na ye nya no political parties for ye nya efritete. Ena ma trimude. Ase ye MPC ni ye political leaders in bibebru mu adwena de oseso mo ye mo nye because Subin de wo de akokokora bi jana de MPP duku bona e betoma no me nwene sa me dwene se Subin for enipa oba begina na sem ode nam Suban ni ye ne bibia wo ye bia no eno mo hwe ho ansa ne ko se okay no gina party ben so ato abama no se ye de sabi edwa begina ho ne MPP duku bono na Subin for Toma na say did you Subin for them say bi mu ye nwan pa cho mfa nche me ya sam kantia na me kan sa enti Subin for say bi mu nye nwan say bi mu nye nkwasiafo say bi mu nye agimifo omu ye nipa omu dwene omu wo omu so interest their personal and collective interest enti say ye do begina so ye MPP ni so ye DC ni na wo ka sem papa bi ankyere omu onyi Suban anase ni ye papa bi ankyere omu say wo adwene bi wo Subin ho wo ahofama bi ma Subin wo abadai bi masubi wo ni sori hu bi masubi na asme gina MPP ticket to send to mame maso enya djuma.
Is that what you are thinking?
That's what I'm thinking, and that's what people of Sudan are thinking, and that's what Ghanaians are thinking now. I'm telling you say baby Ghana eduru no political party bia ugina ho utimi o de say me NDC eduru me so me MPP eduru me so ti ye beto ba mame. You are joking. Unu no ho na wankasa wo sere Ghana fo ni ate ehun say the political class afa Ghana fo numu ya fa se pofunu say ye hiawa ukọ NDC Congo yo mo ye ho sa na people omo ye hu
use microphone yeah
the entire America sa no ukọ NDC strong so omo su ene ato abama NDC ya no de so mo ye ma mo nye oba MPP strong go the same thing omo so ka adentia omo anyina adwem say ha de me ye de be to ma me enti ukọ na akoda itimi to abama obi ye Subin ukọ me ne nam nyina ukọ ba bia mo say MPP no kra MP ne to abama no ko ye hu ni da ye tene kankra da sani ya democracy no aka say because me MPP ti na me NDC ti me gina because I am strong unti e be start to ma me nti makoda na de say wo ye enye say bibia na say wo di sika be yo to me bia omu nya leadership omu nya so bi be ke bibia kire om keke say oh minuanom minim say de atomu ana say de ekoso ha enye o say etimi ye hu bibi ma ho de ntimi nyeso ana mo metu ni ana mo me nyina entrase ne fa adwene baako ne hwa na mo ebetimi etu na saa de ekoso montamu ha yi ebia yenya so anu yi uhunu leader uhunu MP uhunu obia edura bato a ene na wonam fie mu na wo chiachia na wo be enti obi ho hu onim kura onya ti wo kan say abato bi ti na wo ba na ne bofu ontie bi say o say omo a eto aba mo no eno an say ebidura na MPP ye we na de benje bani aba ni ato na achacha na okoni akoto aba ma no uhuni biem sade na twam. You have to work, you have to earn your vote. So we your Ghana ni we your MPP NDC one ni de ben that's why you need say 1992 na come di Ghana for we were hungry for democracy, and people knew that people were leading these political parties. And to omochi no mudi ye and we ya MPP ani egichi ne beginochi and this egichi ne beginochi. It is going by a chum. So one year juma one ma subi for ama Ghana for who say wo woni so ade hunu bi wo ho wo ade bia eda wakoma so wo hise bia wo de baade and wa bre wo mo a forget it.
Are you saying say subi for omuhu omampi
pacho wo yan sontro ni woni bodwuma fo nyina me yan sontro fo mo fa microphone fa kurum na mo musa say MP wo subi no omuhu na mo ko bisa so omuhu na
Maho. But Kumasi will tell you that
democracy, I say, come in, what small be, what could one name, why you would you mamma, what small be, no could you mamma, on for report.
That's what they report, bro.
Do we see that in Subi? What is said, MPOTC, what is said, why people forum, why community meeting, say any pamran on you, trust no mukasa, no musam say, Majuma me and a crown, so many and I say, as some my cost to a crown. Mo junior mo saying e dia na me ko kam no mamo mo ko gire mo na mu o kwan be so de yesusu wo man mu nyina no mo kra dia na me ko kam what bi da onye bi da
but Kumasi will tell you that Subi has been one of the most developed with Rose. I mean buying they've gotten all when Pina get him Rose start
as me better idea them kind of first ni pampuntu and they pampuntu we see roads attack. Yes, there's been some road works.
Yes,
I agree. And one no, I know the development no. I know. Na enipa enye djuma nye come di nipa e mabunu wi school wonya bibia nye enkofo hwe subin menam ye sema metie ni de mi hunu de me ka kire enkofo enema mienu pa de hia osubin se nipa benya djuma ye e dia akon hia ena subin suso ade a wo kese eye ankrankure adwumaye abroyin beka self employed enti se wetima ku hia ama nipa nya adwumaye wo subia ade a wo so ye ne se wo se ankrankure adwuma mu kena buni beka se you help to develop the self employed and I say individual businesses no oboa amasa nyuma ne tumpon a na se me fan se Kofi na ebia wo shoe making shop kakra bi ne etimi boa wo ema tools kakra ema training ema wo shoe making shop no etimi peja obetuma fa branch eduma first time kan ko na onye sika to butu na branch so nya sika to butu mu mienu mu sika na mo nya no etimi to dokunu manipa mienu dokunu ra no so ni dwa akosoro on so etimi koto moko to no more eno na the rolling effect enema community develop when the economy of the community is booming the development will follow road development will follow because the people will be able to pay taxes now ka say uko lobby ema yenya road back mienu bi efa ho nti wakwakoda is that development? Is that what you call development? No, that's incomplete. The people have to develop. I was saying ankran no enye bibi eye na say na soma juna onya dwuma ye onya bibi twadwane di onya bibi tua ne school fees onya bibi etua ne danka now one ne kasa wo se sabio oni ni pe kasa be so otimi trase dwen straight ene we bibia na onya dwuma nye ekom dina e de na aka kire ko beti ase onti
central market wo subin
enti wo se eboa wo mu
project needs you know I mean why you follow up as independent person why a delay the central market project
esikasem the central it's a esikasem central market project no and the way they are managing it administering it woman stores bi kra dia mo no e kwa fa so de man kofo no kra na e de kra e boachi bidin ya wie no hwe se de obo manage electricity e honom e de kra ya asem kese ni nyina so ne say I'm not going to blame KMA say bia KMA na boni ana so munye boni but the me person can say senka subi for champion omo leader ono koko girama mo say wo say KMA for no mu trase na a kwan be na o say fa so gi meter and say kwan be na o say fa so manage the trees in ba ho no who represent them enya omo association nko a enu ti na wo ye MP who represent nko who lead nko you are a key stakeholder, you are key a development agent, you are a key spokesperson for the community. And it say bibi ti say kejetia wo ho ye wo nipa dudu say wom na say MP wo ho no ntimi represent wo mo o their interest so obi MP wo Elimina or represent the fishermen, right? The business in years about fisher folks. We are MP Subina, the people of Subina are business people. We are jumfo, we are shoemakers, we are sanujuma for. You have to represent small enterprises. And to also small business, I say, how do you help them to achieve their goals so that we business no a bit booming. No muso Akoma na ama patomuni na tupo. That's why MP that's want take business in pass. When you sign him away, how can you lead the people? E better know your money kind. And you see, so be for who say obi your money kind. And it is evident. Opa me sell opa fa microphone. So an call be fa dum, no musa, mo fa saf market, mo fa makom dum, no musa. So mo MP. O mo hu no hin.
Is as a most my idea me show. As a politicians, move position and money abemwa. Monyansa is different. You appear to exhibit high sense of concern, wisdom. But when you ba abemwa, as a story, because my occasion I had to be there. We've had, most of your people. Mekai Eugene Baye, I was sat with him in studio. Many of your political leaders, they say sweet things than this. Any.
I'm not just saying sweet things. I'm telling you the solutions to the problems.
But many of them have better solution than some of these things you are preferring.
And the message and the messenger.
Okay.
And the kaboom and the solution.
Okay.
And yes, sir, Obi be cancer keke. Nipa no subai ben in one day, niye ben one day. Experience ben when a bread boom. I just say your kind of and that's what assassin put 200 movie and ye me can you know, I did me 200 more.
Okay.
And then and I'm starting to say me bibi and they what subin for not a political party.
Okay.
For
that's the entire constituency.
The entire constituency. Individuals groups kakra womu. I mean me no ka say ekuayati no ye boa omo sanu adwuma kakra na ye boa omo ye mamu interest free loans no mo dia ye omo nkasa adwuma wo ye bia say 500 po na wudi na de be ma on ye nyi interest wo ya ma mre na de ahye nsuo a wo ton ho obi o ton nsuo una 1000 cedis utumi to fridge and ye ice e de ton nsuo e mo no nkasa na adwuma etumpon sa na ye sese de boy nkofo. It says me by example. I'm leading by example. I'm not just saying it. I make an me too one more. Enti I dance here or say me to me and yet now so I 2014 by me say me say to be for shame money. I will not wait for common fund.
Yeah.
Because a common fund in yet a beboa but resources will soon be a bit me a harness, a bit my harness be Sebi amanone a bit my harness be other industries and corporations and embassies ha and you make sure say 87.9 and what a cry bet me their boy mine. You said there are a lot of embassies if you are looking for training resources here ntetia de ma omo ankasa omo adwuma emo adwuma ni tumpon a ebi ho a bet me their boy e be pesa mo an bi ye bet me nya free ye ankasa ye ho osubia ye bet me nya free aban ho e di na be ka bom ye de aboa se wahwe a omo basubi no bebre ada say yan say dan wona tete no subi ha ana say ye wonu tete subi ko ye outlier because of physicam enti e brand wo subi no won ti ase ni one from me dey wo afun kwanta passenger house me fie edura nyimre bo be no numa obi e wo fufu that's the only food you eat e tomre bi kra fufu no ko ye wobi ye na gu fom ya kusku oba enti ebre ene amani hunu mi mahunu bi da enti mi nim se isu bi for how titie eno na ase mi kura se mi twa na mo bi e be ma enchirima emfa saa ebre na mi fa mu ni bi enye se bi nim ni tumi bi a mi pe enti na me pe MP ametana ma bro chire mi pese mi jadi mpa pese mi ye bibi pam se mi ye bibi emfa mo subi Subi na teach mama SDMT. And no pam. I'm not just talking. I'm willing to do it, and I have the capacity to do it.
I see. May I also organize a health screening at the Subi for. That be never so.
Me de be ya.
I see.
And no see fa.
For the entire Subin constituency.
Entire Subin constituency. In be share Heroes Park Stadium anymore.
I see.
We send fa. Near march after street nim. Near ku share Asim Park and so. I want a doctor for the nurses for beba. I be share ye ni amai. Ma be check you for hepatitis B. Ma be hwe moja ma hwe moja. Anya wo city yadia. Say you who be kind of fashion
87.9
Kumasi bibia ho kwan so baby enye for any political party munya momra wa wote me ne anase wo hu me da wo hia me da wate me kasa na nim se de me ye bia abosu bi no eso woni na ufi se be bosu bi no bra nye nyina nanti mbom ye mfa message ni masu bi for say emra so se ye kan hubum ne boaboa ye ho ye ntwa aban nti wa subi ndi Akoma su bia no enne sorry me da be and panu sia pepepe bra ne nyina ye nanti ye nso ensambom ye nanti ye mfa nko asem ye ko hwe mpom ne mugye mu yare na emwa ye yankasa we obi ababa bia ya ma free.
Okay. Ah, when they jaka.
Na je bi dan kwa ene ne fan club ene adofo ena ye bi ama free enje kapre.
I see. And coming Saturday.
Me dey be ya.
6 o'clock.
6:30 a.m.
Convergent point here.
Stadium animo ho no. Heroes Park.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, dey be fa ahyefe animo ho. Afa
traffic light na so akwakusi
playground ho.
Yeah.
Akusi labor. Ya frostro. Ya branch afa Jubilee Park en chawo kwasi. Be duro na doctor for ne nurses for o ma set up. E be hwe oni ama. Eni yade woni sabio woni free mu a it is said yes
free ho yeah
nti enu ne be hwe ama first ne hwe omujam so ama mesre wa pese hwe omujam no wo ba nke be ya menidi yesa muja diabetes no ye hwe na se wo didi a na
yeah
correct
to get it
the mesre so pese hwe so wo diabetes na so ni bia obi o be ka se medium nim se diabetes bit ma omujam so na unya hunu ye oni be ba ho so no na dokoro wa wan hwe da ko na mo akum no mu na hwe no wawu ti bomodi se oboye akwanchine fi bia be anopa anyimre no didi be no twe no a kenidi biem nhwe de obi betima nom enuma sikira de bia na de cha anopa na oba ne nante kudu a etumuja na check correct e check pressure na e check hepatitis B so di nipa wu manyimu we hwe na sa branches o ehwenya no so ya ne moje tu na se onya brebo no liver no funso de ba hepatitis B ni di sa adwuma no utimi nya free pani wom utimi nya free fifire mu utimi nya free nam obi fi wano utimi nya free baby bebre tiesre wa won cheki wo hun nim se side wo bia na so ni bi bra
wo tie Ghana Koma
for you free and you kapre bakra di nya so di nipa dua ne beba JB Dankwa fan club ene JB Dankwa ne adofo for yesi ya mo free bia ni ho a obi betima ya mo so be hwe mpoma ma e that's one say the team of it is subia pomudin eye subin koso nim sesa wapomdin wo ho a ubetima ya adwuma na ankasa otumpon nti subia pomdin ene etu ho na mo memenda ebe eno kira wo se JB Dankwa de subin from puntuo ene me dadwene number 1 nti ye hwe wapomdin kane na ewia de toaso bia yedi kan ye cleaning bible say ahunidie bruni beka say cleanliness is next to godliness.
Okay, clean up exercise.
Yeah. The proper hwe. Yeah, boy.
Akoma FM
87.9
Kumasi.
No. Ye bom nyuma ye. Is ye hwe apomuden. Ye wia ye twase bia de beba. The must be for who say ye na kopim say. Ye betima ye de be ye amatubi afa netuma pefra.
I see.
Nka se betima ye ni nyina. Ense se be ma be ye bi o me ni nyina. Na de metumi bia de abosu bi. Eno enne ma de dadwene. Eno ena ma me da so ne sa de no enye political party binti me nka say political party okay if they are doing the right thing let's support them, let's work with them, but say Ghana the Akoma so Ghana and Ghana
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
I see. JB we name her
me bre me my penasem, you know. He speaks wisdom. But there's one thing I'm back at you. men start here there won't mean we. Because our promises we who be free. So before be to me a door because of this immediate interventions I would demand. But say omo decide gidi ne de ma na so omo e ma 2 minutes e fa kom rashi bedwa unya daje anye sa na ma we e fa ma won. Inti wan kasa start ye bibia if you say you can easily do with or continue after you have been given the nod.
Pastor, me busa some quickly before you.
Me we bisa wasem.
Na me busa ho bi na kwa clarify ma.
Very well, I mean.
O say the mayor no mean to us me call.
Untumi wie. Oh yeah, health screening ne nasefo and ye prapra ye we obey mpia unya daje yes anema we. It is a bare fact. Me no me no better na we say we can argue on it, but it is a bare fact. You can't finish you untumi nye wie.
Na mpacho clean up exercise.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Chief. A whole government machine, a whole government. Organize the clean up exercise, operation clean your frontage. At when this government they buy the previous government at Tamils, Jomahamos at Tamils. Every month they are near cleaning the whole Kumasi, even the whole Ghana once, and create me because of whatever reason best known to them. I am not saying you are not capable of doing it. Of course, people are coming to me and bringing a change. But my point is that probably human attitude will even influence you not to even do it. Nipa sune ne ban ene nyema ne ye bi kra ebe dua discourage you. So me I will prefer say you will start something that feel say say we dey this will be my ultimate goal bet me aye ade akwa wiye e bi ni dey
na so clean up exercise there enya no and I said you excuse my language nipa die
yeah I understand that is fantastic
development project.
Okay. No I'm not saying it's a development I'm not saying it's a development project. Yes,
making sure that you train, you're not training, training. You're not access to capital.
Yes.
I don't know make once.
Exactly. I know the Okas all started say, oh yeah, I will agree with you and I'll support you 100%.
Maybe
100%. I will agree with you 100%. But men start here there, they make it men start because the people will love you and
clean up as a development project.
I'm not saying it's a development project. It can never be a development project. Me penasem, I wish to say me I'm for change.
Okay.
On any day,
I am for change. There's a change you
of course, Kofi, the situation surrounding Subi in the Kwamo Faso to Omwaba. Omo primaries ne Kwamo Faso to Omwaba no. Me e kamengwa na kasa sa abato na ko so mutwem na na komo ye no foforo. Oh yes. Those times. I mean 2020 elections, omo primaries there. E kamengwa so mo de na so mo to na homachi sa na Jose Bibisa. I want to book. Nyema bi on me I am for change. I am for change. Not for no Kwane constituency. A lot of constituencies say what Ashanti region. I am for change. You see nya excuse my language level-headed people who can spearhead and also think about the people.
That's right.
Of elections na nya se bi produce obi ho ahofo je bi da kwa ho na ahofo nti o.
So we MPP.
And that's like obi ho ofeche no. But say you to abana say you penipa kanko. You penipa puntu. You pay every single you are doing it for the people, not for yourself.
They voted for you.
Exactly.
Serve them.
I see.
So be population you say. The MPP and some case about the Amobia. They will vote over 78,000 over.
Yeah, 80,000 to 90,000.
So you can imagine the love Akofo what their money per chrono. But when you're near me here, Akofo no be dwa brutal. Obudwa so no anu awie ya no.
That's it.
Okay. So, Jamie, I think coming Saturday, right?
Yeah.
We'll pass by. Personally, me
you go check it there. Oko that's because when you yeah, Obeto drama.
Obeto.
Not you.
He's doing it.
Yeah, drama.
Me who said me near me. Let me call hospital.
Akoma FM 87.9.
I will pass by myself. Personally, I will pass by.
So do some food is before Uncle Bemide.
Oh no, Benjamin and the team will come.
Okay.
Me our friend is saying, one someone. I will personally pass by, and I hope that we'll get it best. But the work can't. Me ye my din kakra say with or without MPP. Ubeba ballot paper so it will be coming 2024.
That's a certainty.
And I am one.
That's a certainty.
As a bus opposite free MPP.
Me cast, I say that's a certainty. I'm coming on the ballot.
Because Oko Prime is there, then you will not win.
FM 87.9.
No. Because this to be a since 2014.
Never did the first time.
This is the constituency. One more delegate, you know. You are suspending the over 428. It was to be in 2016 as
2022. France police is going to
tie ana yeba one more party premise that we no enye so bi na amod car ne ade ba gina opete ma ye koye yi ye ni wie ye I mean a block party team tira wade e tire ya that is one of the serial callers be craft friend. This was the consensus omoto aba ni wie ye no one more delegate ni nyina wo bia you are appear to be aligned to JB no. You are not even Kofi. Around. There were a lot of petitions near the other course. And as we speak, delegate do one no. Only need you.
Kofi Pacho. Mama can't back on show. Delegate on your remote control. On any day they can change their minds.
Okay.
It's let's give them that benefit of the doubt.
Wow.
Na yeshlemini anonko. And only the most important because they are not remote controls. On any day they can have a change of mind. And if I was say what I didn't know kwashe eyinimu.
And obviously they will.
Of course, Kofi you can afford the day aban buy. You can afford the two aban.
Okay. So
manipulation is very powerful.
Share. And I mean say na make us meaning the akos was Subi.
Of course our photo hold you.
I know Subi.
You said that say the constituency election. Ukwara na Johnny Afre contestants actually say no memenda. Agent I
know Subin, so
no, is he falling out already? Are you losing hope on that?
Okay, use microphone. So anyway, so Debbie, you'll find out. I think
87.9
lines kakrebi na ye no ninkra. Because 7 yes 30 and go anyway, but I think we'll have enough discussion. 0243114497 and 032249835. For AJ group of companies say men control say more person to coin na ewo Canada, oko US, UK, Europe and as any of the Asian countries, China, Korea, Japan. And now, I know what I say. Fenipa over 50 was Singapore. Aqua construction work near Juma, Ruby Brain. Skaka Krabi na Abitua. Uni passport out there, bra. A better boss near process secure be amount. O website, you know, a
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
AJ group of companies, Minoka say, will delivery service a yepe nipa about 50 of them. I had more Ababaya riders. Yepe more bukra at least diploma because a online. Digital now will be used to the riding into you need to be able to understand some of these digital apps. I will be to me manipulate kama now what you see. Until Bobadena friends see na yenu winning kobo see ya me no say you see you a tour India, a tour Dubai, you be a branch or several other countries. I yes see a Ghana for the no. To Quine Aquaman we are genuine.
Akoma FM 87.9
we working on a lot for you. 0544 628957 0544 628957 0544 628957 and 0555 630439. But we no send a WhatsApp a boy in 0555 5 near 3 630439 na bibia timi akoso Provident Healthcare na enano pay kai was say wakoma ene wo nipadua no ehu hia your cardiovascular monitoring machine your microcirculation breast cancer monitor ene machines ahodo a ye wura nipadua ni wo massage your detoxifier machine a machine ahodo a air test nutritional level no niam ni nyina wa adwen sisi so asthma, sexual weakness, prostate cancer, malaria, typhoid, all skin diseases ni nyina no Provident Healthcare itu anamoni aboa asomase opposite St. Teresa's Catholic Church Konongo yewo Agogo station wa opposite Ghana Commercial Bank Bogoso opposite Krobo Fitting Shop ho your number ni 0248 422864 0248 2864 and 0506-830210. Obetimi afre na me pick be 2 3 4 callers. Good morning.
Good morning.
Why na me ka say?
Openi, we get the king of taxi drivers make say AKE akokoshiwo we ka say.
Ma minti o abrante. Awu taxi, wo so ye taxi driver, enso me nyahu taxi bia wo use. Da bia ka asa kese na wuti kurom a wo use.
Oh, Jerry. Kofi.
Yeah.
Na taxi are we use ya who be o.
Me nyahu bi. Me jebi say da wo use ka asa kese nko a.
Oh, Jerry de sa ro make that. Da mame Jerry dan kwa mame mo na baso. Kofi. Tena na mo ka se subi abatwa no to apa na ye u se jati ko di olo be si su se no. Kofi ka ti o se sa ni mani nyina de kem. Se ye be to ba na kululu ena ye ko ba se ye di obi aba be si ono ena se pa di won pere ena je se we die onu nkwa ne ye de ne ko onu nkwa ne be ja sa ni nyina Kofi e twemo jati ko dia time intimate obi bia na o MPP bia wa na abi so oba be pe ani bibia no o de bra o me ma kwan ama wo gina na mum so ko gina wie na se yeto aba ni wie na se wa wi ni dia enne mate wo bia so enim etie nyina ye nse no so wo na mse je bi da kwa na duma pa wo bo ho num tiro yakofo be na dom ama bibia wie pe yo de ama.
Okay, good morning when you.
Ajawu de phobia ofa.
Mami tio.
Akina of taxi driver, mi ni ano no.
Okay.
That's not taxi driver, see that na aba. No kwe.
One so test ya so isu kasa kese.
Mi our friend.
Ayo.
Mi ano number of sports college association.
Mate.
And me piano ba agogosi gogo no. Ofa. 87.9. Ya se no kwe ba ko pe. Na meka start with the same thing. Me kurom Boko Central kurobi e won me friend Tampizo a ho na metri. Ofa me ko honom no ye o ma ye dam wo honom. Onim na me ko ye no dam aya ye nsuo nim. Na me buso won say na dam aya ye nsuo nim a e be ye aye dam because dam dey to say ye nsuo. Onim ase mo am ka tell me. Nsuo to a ebebam. Opa. Mama. Ade na ye ni e ho eseresa. Nukwe pe. Mi de bia me ka asasem. Umu se bibia happy am ye nukwe na maka. Umu se mi nam police station. E bia nukwe na maka na ya chimatu. Opa, nti na de bia me te Akoma FM no. Ni Akoma FM a onua. Ana bibia omuka nukwe. Umu se mi tie station bia na je se station omuka nukwe. Yan ka nukwe. Because na do nsema obeka ye na atama na onye president no me bo ka tape na me he ka tape na ba wo me na me kete na me wura ho.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning, Asante.
Yes.
I am sorry you. Me da se kan taso na ba.
Mami tio.
Ko ba se da wa se na ncho. Se na ka de agripa shomo to na wa ya no. Me da wa se pa ya ncho. No, I had a film, no, I told you. Oh, and Papa, at the toll of Gusarason. It's not a drop. No boy should move me. And you get a month for the money. I know. I saw me come to a while and I'm blow. And remember, and I had to tell you, at the toll of Gusarason, I want to wish you. And you good now, I don't know. Also, all quite a better for all. Yes, you are Lazarus. Let this say, I'm not big in my opinion. I was showing a lot of similar. I require
Fordria area, honey, and Benito. Beminim.
Benito.
Okay, before Abraham Lincoln, Mate, good morning, when you.
No, Asante no, but I want to say
Namiado.
Seriously, we share so.
Mamintio.
No, Asante, well, some can come if I say, oh, so free a gem around the co family to know. Free dinner or no. The free Asante minister said, double fan pages are the only way. Because it's also a gem to Africa Johnson. It's a honor. say casting that far. What's a bridge in that Kakano? I said, Gugu. Do but throw a bridge in a Google to Messi answer. Or what to be at Yabawana.
Okay. 0243114497. Mom will subin so wait me a frame. Na yedin kombo. Good morning.
Aduanaba, Kofi Asante
ye.
Nemo wati mu adwumapa.
Mejo so.
Onabu na ya oni Kumasi asafo. Yedi ya na abetena wonu. Yedi ya onse de bia me fedi ya yedi ya na abetena wonu. Onabu JB Dankwa incoming MP for Subi. Papa ne dwumadi ya wabo ne sam ne tam ade manisha. Eji nyakwanye bi ane gi yabane ya do bo ne sam so. Papa ya bo Subi for papa. Yesi eni papa ya mo ntika. Wa mo di adwuma no interest. Wa mo di dada wa mo hono. What you need, such as here, and the papa here, we get every American. And yes, a chinchina, me young penny, chinchina, me young Disney, or politics, you are having. Yes, papa, and the JB done by us here. What they want to be for the message to be for that. One more come, and one more temple, papa, you pa, so the dear no subia, or betting Abuay, Timisa, and Papa, you're born there. That was Mamu, never follow so do not. A person boss will be as a president of the Chabon Bla. As what I said, Nim Jenna go for the Amano, or for most to be for. And the other 2024, the young one players are Nim Giano, Alabama.
Okay, good morning. When you? Yeah. Yeah. Major so.
Money Edma.
That's
na Mr. Papa na yen interview no.
Yes, JB Dankwa.
I'm sure Baba we can 2003. So Akoma pa. Was in political as soon any pa or mobro mohuasia. Between amount potemu 2 pounds. Many NDC, but a big beard me pa or ye leader. Send this new MPP, CPP, or Bedina Batano. Uncle Yilida, no, so NDC, NDC from one or Drama. I know MPP from one or Drama. Yakotraban, Yasuko Yilida. He sent me car breeze, acquire NEC. Sort of NDC 4, MPP 4, CPP 4. It took a Yilida, now Yilida, Papa, Bettina Boa, and Najaco Mamaka addicted to her being count. Mr. Ghana police. How more fossil a dink of Fortino, a harding, and one police can be quite fast with the Champion. Mr. GP 8756. Man in the Mr. Careless medium. Because on my time, I'm cook of we are no mechanical. Let us say.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning.
Wayne.
Yes, let me call international taxi driver.
Okay.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Make and the end of the minimum yakaka. Then only JD. Mo hopa na chimoko ahoma empty better who get and no get and no get.
I don't know any day.
It's all kind of no correct. It's all kind of Sabia. Who's a Chamount with the Yanka. Chamount to contract on demand with Yanka. Or you're calling every fillet a caco start of the Buguso. It's okay. It's so waiting a feeling now. With Yanka Yampa, and I'm very Maintenance and rim. And the more would so kind of begin when correct. Begin when correct.
Okay. Good morning. Yes. Okay, young fella last caller now. These are callers. I mean, they have their own opinion. Good morning.
Aduanaba Kofi Asante.
Azarbe, I'm sorry.
Kofi Biao. I'm the word with the mobile Juma. I'm the boss about Melody, lawyer, communication officer. Kofi, you know, is the MP Betna and Carry. I am a co-producer. Kofi, I'm no boss, and come a friend of me. Obeka Bamia be a military hospital. On the wall of the Obeka, I ain't and Sunny at the hospital. And the hospital in a couple of money. Your best say, Asante my young punch you. And no matter what Honoma about we didn't mercy for me or my yard. Last time 1 year Moko Fee, 1.5 years. Moko Fee. If you bet Pania in services to Kofi, did you have part of the honor? How did Uncle go for the meeting I can say you? And you say, I'm Asante my car,
Asante to aba ni ade atete Kofi aba ye to ye to me cancel birth and registration and so you will be there Hanum Kofi.
Thank you. Observe me catch them send my name the municipal chief executive at the Askore Mampong Kennedy because you can come or no I two force some more hine if I'm right Ufia Sompa hine, yes, that is the word Sompa hine. And he what I say now everything about as I say development politics. For the next one we'll have a serious discussion. Definitely they wanna have a gumbe pa. Yes, sorry I call. So subi for message final comment nothing. I'm hoping say a bit me enya one day the ansana will Saturday I will be there. I want to come and see Jumedia Woody, but I'm aware you are doing great for Subi.
Thank you.
But what I'm surprised is whether also you appear on ballot with or without MPP. Not just the MPP should work out. There's likely going to be an independent candidate who will Subi. Anyway,
Kofi, me dey make catch Subi for an say.
Yeah.
My mom who say omunpuntu ne dama kuma so. Omo apomuden ne dama kuma so. De maye bia omohunu me suba ne me ne ye ne me nipa ba me ye. Mesre de obiye bia no onfa pa bonta mechi na omwa na ye nyina ye kan hu subi ye mpempuntu emra na emre so se me be sre omo se omo moa me ma me bi di omo ni ma mo so ahwe me nwuma pa ho no mabo me se si ade de anim ne se me ndai ye work and screening ti wa adaje be ba ho bia no bra stadium anopa no sia ne fa pepepe ye nyina ye twa na mon emfa kurum ma fifiri ye nko na doctor fo hwe mu jani ye nima ye nyu kapre ba ho ka nyina ya fa etwa ka wie ti bra ye nyina ye sum ye man Subi ni Asante man.
Thank you very much, JB Dankwa. That is a parliamentary aspirant at Subi constituency, and of course, a member of the New Patriotic Party. Therefore, my name is Home Rasisia. My name is Kennedy Akwaba. Minia, Ezeng. I was on 4 there. Good. Sure. As well as 4 here. JB. My name is Homra, I think say can we use Usiti? Just for 1 minute, maybe.
87.9 Kumasi.
Cylinder recirculation model. Eye dwumadie fufura ye dia ba. Ebeboa pa. Enu ani se, ubefa wo cylinder ahwe nim na udi akọ exchange point. Akwa cylinder ya filling dada edia ma wo. Ai, ubeta wo LPG ewo bia. Bambo ene hihye pa egu foma. Enyo helbia ema wo. Sheninso cylinder bia ya bomode ahwe ehu se, ehu ba bia entochima ama ne bambo nsem so. Ejina pintin. Ensatie nyina anya penti cylinder no ye omu nkruwankruwa animu akese sade beya obia benya ne so ene ne de ede na afa na ede se ubanu awaduane wo bia emusie ene wo halbia ma wo so na wo bambo begina pintin ama wankasa ene wo busu
87.9
aya feeling dada cylinder recirculation model dwumadie ya de pre bambo na ya boa ama enwuma so abuso sankai boy National Petroleum Authority ene Ministry of Energy Daruma and your debrem.
Would you decline? Not me enjoy brokerage if you hack a crash. Show wallpapers, any curtain blinds or do you design any hall, any rooms? Wash a shack designer while you're from hall. Ne fair.
I know yet 3D epoxy design. Okay, Miss Row, baby, free Alaska Star Enterprise. Wallpapers, window blinds, different colors and sizes. Over more than 350 different designs. Or designer as a top
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Ghana ha Alaska pet or a man for Timiko to do a part on for chemical said the treatment equal see designs nya na Joshua wa say as I saw a meton then so was you make as a clay bisa it's not enchenchen wa no ho nyina tantan na ba no say me frɛ Alaska Star Enterprise and omde chemical ebe treat ye edi 3D epoxy and wallpapers ebe design ya had my fefenti enya nya me sunu kra de wo me mu a anka me de gin kofo gas yo na wɔn mo hipɔtee Alaska Star Enterprise ɛwɔ Kumasi Adum Prudential Plaza opposite hɔ a Accra nso Tiptoe Lane opposite
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
MTTD frɛ 0200 281 080 ana 0248 315 258.
Mudie bebia na makoto blocks na mudi siden hwe blocks ya mason fo edi siden ni nyina frofro ye tumufo muntie meka kira wo se kwa Empower Super Concrete Product for so ye wo munema cement eco blocks mu ye de machine ai na ye bibia machine na mix mortar no machine na twa blocks no na wi ahye ne kama ana ne size no so de ye accurate over 6 inches 5 inches ana say over 5 hollow blocks 6 hollow blocks pavement blocks cave 87.9 blocks Benyabi will be a sidan ma catch and say Uncle Empower Super Concrete Product asye a honor blocks no a papa Empower roofing for a din chance papa ya the boden so a bedasono Wamukria and Akofa blocks papa pay at the aba I want to swan say ye free delivery within Kumasi ya obebu yani Empower roofing and a D and shanimu Fre I was 0271 144444 and I say 0208 3964 24 Empower Super Concrete Product Blocks Papa FA
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
decided to be to a man this year was a man you masa obi an so sa emfa who say in teams so baby and they wa adwuma
na wo obeto aba
saa ye vota ye kokromoti a e won fa so yi afemi bo eye tujumi konkro ba akopɛ ɛnyɛ hwɛ yɛ de tujumi ne ba mo de amonje
an ye nyina ye beto aba
sɛ wini na me di pass him because tujumi ne ba Ghana 3 to 5 years e be sister e koi
so when you about to home fast one
Ghana sister bamsa o man your friend sika man penfo je on woni ni so man your friend sika man then aba be o hia man debi e am you born man mo born na man abanisa
e wo abato adwumadie so ye nya manwofo be di nkomo ye busa won se anya bia abato a ye to no ye nya so mfaso ana
there should be no village or community in Ghana after the first 2 years that would have a water problem or a toilet problem.
CIA, Akoma 87.9. A drada way a copy me fiada. A brand on so abo a copy sen on kono ebebo. Then you from about to Jumadi and Famau.
President Akufo Mama show down. Vice President Mama show down.
And I want to nama and papa a fan who was Asante Bako when you know and about the grassy.
Midi Eddie JB, Mene Evansinkum. Mabatwo, a so emphasis.
Right, I'm for higher Akoma 87.9 FM. Medical catcher say Menia Kennedy can come at Transi Ewaha. Na Bema, once again, good morning. Boko. Ache na. Say you've been busy at Tasawase.
Yes, Iguswa say ya de juma jawa na das well.
Yes.
And mesu me yema
Akoma FM 87.9.
Okay. You are always at the office.
Min to adwuma muda.
Wow.
Since I bought with this I'm ko MC Asokore Mampo make sati office adwuma in November 15th October 2021. Ebisine. There has never been a day sem me ko adwuma. So one of me adwuma na me adwuma bonten. Ti say ne say me kwa bonten.
Okay.
Me kwa ye dey abofo nyina kwa kushia.
Wow.
Yeah, engage you more about the fee fixing, about the budget that you are doing, and other things. I hear about and near was someone say market.
Hey,
and you about China, you as a foreman point area. Any zona councils on there together with the assembly in a simple.
Interesting.
So my new officer, maybe I'm a work municipal anymore. And yes, I will be a number 2 coin. I control the Mekobi and Cran. I said the Mekobi.
Okay.
Yeah, but say my sorry, Anopa. Me tafie ben kwa juma me anse me koya ma de depi so me ma de Saturday and Sunday me may say be project kwana me see me dan I do it on Saturday and Sunday project that I want to be there.
Wow.
Saturday and Sunday so those are the things that but me fa ban juma me fa by time nye bibia.
You are always working,
and that is what I have been asked to do, and I'm one of the first people who call juma, and I'm always the last person to leave the place. I'm always the last person to do that.
Interesting.
Yeah, I'm always the last person, and everybody can attest to it. So a radio so na make us. You can go and call assembly people and ask them. Hebo kra me train I'm a security bans and I'm security in my home. Yeah, that is how it is.
Wow. Yeah. So a human but why are your people entangling you?
Who?
Uncle for party
people, some people.
Okay, some of them,
some of them, and
some of them, because
that is politics for you. In politics, you can't get everybody to like you. We are beginning a big mistake. And look about me, I'm psychological effect.
Yeah,
politics, no, it's made up of shades of opinions. Obia one argument, Obia one interest, Obia one be your person, or the Abia anti, and you be a support so said Abia or person. If you walk around Papa Cranania.
Sure.
Some people don't want to see you progressing. Some people want to see your downfall. They want to see your back. And sometimes, so all your politician now, a very astute politician like that. And that is where you should know that is an politics. That sometimes when we are on my camera, come with the man say it's called the challenges. Some of these are some of the challenges. And the media na issue be a mamisa. I can't satisfy all human beings. And I'm just going to something. I can't satisfy. And I mean, also, when you become a leader of a area now, people expect more from you. And you all know the financial issues that the country is engulfing. And the BIA Ghana budget, and we need to support you with something. And the BIA be percent can be a pay way. One young man, one image, and tea. It broke over Banawa and Yakura Casache and Okra. No, I suffer because sometimes people ask us, "I'm when you scour him." Also, Biaba, he expecting you to do something. And
is that how it is? Was
no, the whole Ghana.
Yeah.
We leader. Yeah. We leader will be adding the problem back.
Yes.
Or person was a woman leader. No, the woman needs a leader. No, so no.
Oh wow! So challenges.
Who limited budget.
Okay.
And you need any problem. The man says solve. Obiti me solve. So limited budget. Use your discretions to make sure that nobody will be in the eye. Among other things, you manage. That is why you say you're going to manage the place. I said, "Who need pakura to work to your song? If you work to your demand, no matter how it's
no.
But you manage it." And then the economy is for the be a friend of scale of preference. You do the scale of preference and see what is good. Now, if you are managing you don't collapse a system that you are leading. As if you create what's say, and you be about pebia or bapebia now to me, man. But if you know maybe adjusting and kakra now I satisfy some of them. Then I say for now I'm Abefio on the any point what you there, those are the things, you know. And I was a Ghana house, so I think that what politics is being done, as I said, you quite say you're a politician, I say you don't call you MP, you don't call MC, you don't call minister there. I didn't know Tina also MC, I own Niska. And didn't now MP, I also Niska. And didn't now minister Niska.
Professor Sebra say, yeah, the road contract, yeah, ma, would you 1 million up front? That is the road ministry. In the assembly, so possibly you have your own ways. Would you move bow in sky?
The pronouncement, no, men taking wholesomely, but because men person me can some crap because how much crown are involved in some of the contracts?
Okay.
Obama, me bass of road contract be able to do even 1 million Ghana cedis.
Okay.
As I'm going to say, I manage a budget in a sort of what they are Barbros who crown into 300,000, 400,000.
Oh,
of course, so go about roads for budget.
Municipal.
Urban rules budgets.
Okay.
I bass of Coromampo. I cost so 500,000.
I see.
Now, say you manage you did budget 500,000.
No, they got you 1 million.
No, got you 1 million.
No, but that is that is the level.
The statement is subjective.
Okay.
And it's all cast over can. Nagas also call you road contractor. Road contractor, no, you should explain it. What I say, Ebia World Bank road contract.
Okay.
Ebia highway road contract. Ebia urban road contract. I was like, you should tell us. I was the time because I said, no. So because of a very subject, you can do it. I didn't make just me. I control a budget at a Sokore Mampo. But urban roads for budget only free and kind of Bremo. I'm prosper 500,000.
Is it difficult?
You contract next year, man. 1 million cedis and Sanama, Yamojuma. Juma Nankasakura, no 1 million.
Sure.
What
was Sokoromampon? A little over 2 years.
Yes, 2 years, 1 week or so.
Yes,
15th October,
exactly 2 years.
And today.
1 week and some 2 weeks, 2 years and some days.
I 2 years, 2 weeks. Let's put it that way.
We are comfortable still working as the MC.
I will be by me.
Not like the challenges.
Of course, that is it. Said Onipo mom dem call names So the challenges are part of it. And I wouldn't the challenges are part of work.
I know.
Of course, even with the grandpa, there are some challenges.
Because me wo party vice chairman, I would say, I mean, what time, organizer. I suppose, was it the vice chairman or chairman?
Yes. First
vice. I mean,
young can't development.
No, we are talking about development, but these are major issues.
Time will be a day. Minimum that. So minimum said now your party Juma as when I was a regional organizer.
Okay.
Maintenance one said that. Minia Gronko as one said that. Min Fras I say. What I say, it is quite unfortunate. Say I was sent there by the president of Ghana.
Quite unfortunate.
Of course.
You see it as unfortunate.
Now they make what is me pass was Yakunya.
Oh, what is you're going to Aswansi was unfortunate.
I can say what is me pass was Yakunya. What is
I don't know it.
No, me I won't disrespect the president. I can't disrespect the president.
And until Mbisa would say, are you comfortable working?
Of course,
there?
And I say, me I'm very comfortable. I'm doing my work.
But it's quite unfortunate for you going there.
Tell me what my political preferences.
Okay.
I'm a politician.
Yeah.
I have my ambitions. I know where I wanted to go.
Well, choice.
Of course, I know where I wanted to go.
Okay.
As long as I say, what do you say? What do you say? How do you do it?
Reason being the man say,
I don't know. I said, no, I don't know. But they say, "Betty, meet me. I avoid you, man." And then me call. And just me, I have to do it. Do you know? Yeah, me Juma. And no be all so as man Bobby and me Juma also said yes, no.
Wow. I see.
What I say, oh nama, o pesa obey lawyer. Now wanna be a boom.
Yeah.
Because nanka hiding I'm pesa mako. So you yourself will describe it as unfortunate that I just wanted to be a lawyer and I have been sent to this place. And I didn't
okay.
Since it wasn't part of my plan, I'll use the word unfortunate that I was diverted to the place because now me were other aspirations and other ambitions and I'm a champion.
Okay.
Yeah.
And for the last 2 years, last 2-3 weeks, Kennedy can come is in the news for all reasons. What you organize at home. What happened?
When it gets to that point, I don't want to talk about it because it is being dealt with. What do I say? I say, police, I likely to be in courts.
Oh, that's what police?
Yes, of course. The police is handling it. And a bit likely to be in courts.
So when they you for Council of Elders grab a power, I don't want to. And obviously,
I don't want to talk about it here. Until they make it, say, let the system deal with it. Because I'm here as the chairman of the Municipal Security Council.
Yeah.
And I will not allow anybody to compromise the security of Asokore Bampo. In as much as I remain the municipal chief executive.
Okay.
Me will be compromising the security of Asokore Bampo. So I will make sure the laws of the land and of the municipal works to the latter. So I don't want to come and sit here and discuss security issues at Asokore Bampo because I am the chairman of the Security Council.
And they acting about down security. They acting about down security.
It's the chairman of the Security Council who is involved in that confusion or in that melee.
Okay.
And I don't want to come and talk about it here. The police system is dealing with it. What do I say? And they are going to deal with it to the best of their capability or to the best of their strength.
Wow.
So let us allow the system to work. Than for me to come and sit here, I say, they radio discussions and this is not a radio discussions. I don't think that it will be in the good interest of anybody. It won't be in good interest of me. It won't be in the good interest of the municipal. Municipal no jina ne naso. Na municipal no nya juma na mranya juma municipal. That is all. You don't need to come and talk about it. It's a normal radio discussion.
But case that's what police station.
It has nothing has changed. The police is dealing with it. That is
likely to go to court.
That is why I said the police is dealing with it. In the moment, yema police in the juma. Why? I don't want to talk about it too much here.
A detention about area wana.
Tension free
within my party and
I'm me buy my culture and run me wo Asante market.
Okay.
My ko kasa ho my engagement and then yakwa abo which never call Asokore Mampo any zonal council the engagement. So there's nothing like a tension there.
Wow.
Why should this bring tension in the area? For what? Tension for what? We assemble.
Oh. Party organizer attacking the MC.
Let the Lord works. Say individuals involved, so let it work. So being quite attack a party. As long as I say.
Sure.
And your party in a under attack. What I say? So let the law works. Let us free party no. Because that is why I'm gonna be tan. And the whole country the moya man I basano. So we could didn't sabi on kwasi asemo. No dwane akɔhye party achi. Odini nkwasi asema no dwane akɔhye tribe achi. Odini nkwasi asema no dwane akɔhye religion achi. What I say? Me ye MPP ninti, me ye NDC ninti na woye me say. Nanso akodi nkwasi asem.
Yeah.
Akɔbɔkro no. Me ye Islam, me ye Muslim ti, me ye Christo ninti na ye me say. Me ye Dagomba ni, me ye Asante ni, me ye Frafre ni, me ye Wenti na ye me say. Na omu din kwasi asem o man ni za. While the country laws are there. So let the law works. Simple. Don't let us mix it with the party. A party non MPP and sorry obedin kwasasem. Is that MPP? MPP or not the babedin kwasem.
Yeah.
So why do you want to mix it with the party? Don't mix it with party. Don't mix with tribe. Don't mix with religion.
Yeah.
Let those who deal the young kwasasem mama omunun faso na young form famara kwanoso. Nobody should bring party matter in these issues. And I don't want it to be like that. Yes, I know. Kofi, Obi be sorry no akodi nse hunu bia. Yes, a party. What is the meaning of that? So the president should be in his office in Jubilee House. Then the national secretary will go and mess up to the president or the Jubilee House and say, "Oh, general secretary no a national organizing team. Yen guys are no ko yen nyoma hunu Jubilee House." The Ashanti regional organizer or secretary should get up and go to the regional coordinating council, go and misbehave towards the regional minister. You see what your regional organizer now, regional secretary did. Regional minister or regional coordinating council. Is that what you are telling me? So don't let us put this thing there. There's a difference between the municipal administration and the difference between the party administration in the municipal in the constituency. So mama mfanya party asema kwa mama mfa party mentality. Yema emrano nya juma na nipa bi ha no you have your own way. But let me put it on record. People say it was a constituency executive committee meeting. No way. There was nothing like constituency executive committee meeting.
Oh really?
Yes, of course.
So all the
constituency executive committee meeting,
polling stations,
may say it wasn't a constituency executive meeting, so don't turn it. Say be a committee and say, be a committee and say ABC. Understand? And I was not having any meeting with them.
JB,
me say there wasn't like any meeting. Me say, Minuya, me say, my pongo juma. Ya to assembly gate him. Assembly about 5 for your pon. That is the law. Ya pon ya to assembly gate him. Ya to 2 offices munyina. Me after say you pon 5 no ya. Funa na me be hwen kratem.
Yeah.
On say this na. Sanet metie. Enti my pongo juma no. It is you nya to assembly gate him. It is out public. Ubien to me now. What I say. But they be our person in the
after this time, as one-on-one,
of course,
and a private discussion.
The middle of one I say, "Oh, be inside down so baby is before." What do you mean? What do you mean? My friend officer, my friend will be officer. Say me no be doing come when you invite them because me your friend or my officer. Why a friend say omrao? A security zone. You don't know the municipal security council. Only say your security zone,
of course.
It's a security zone.
No, but my understanding is that it's all constituency executive together with polling station. They were about 34.
Kofi may say there was no polling station officer be anyone.
Hey.
Me say,
yeah, this was public.
That is what I'm telling you. Me say, Kofi me say, Kofi me say, and nothing I make say. So let the police work. Let the investigation goes out. Let the near who say whether there was a police station officer Ben. I know. Constituency officer Ben, I'm a friend, is Omraho. Mato assembly gate yatum. How did they even enter the place? It's not because Mama Ma as someone yet to say. Yeah, no politics, yeah, no those things. Me cause me koye MPP. Say I feel say koye MPP chairman was okore mampon. You say me koye municipal chief executive. Aban krachi panyin. I was okore mampon. Minister me ka tia sia.
Yeah.
Me koye aban krachi panyin was okore mampon. Enti madwuma no a local government act 936 and then mra me di adwuma was okore mampo together with other laws I dey am say me fa nya adwuma say sikasem am the public financial management act na me di adwuma one the mention no
yeah
and the duru baby na party but ye baby na me bia me please oh MPP asema ba na nyina MPP then we go and do party. So party business is different from municipal business. And many party for the adwuma municipal because there is no party officer that works at the municipal. And the mama fa municipal na adwuma ne party dey me fra man quite say yango ya no wona isa. Kofi dey make ka say.
Okay.
Ti say oba adwuma na pon.
Yeah.
Upon Akoma wapon. If you have other business now could do a different business. Now call your business or you maybe our shop baby and now call law school baby now some to another Akoma FM call. Do you miss Akoma FM with those law schools and those things?
Not at all.
So that is how it's supposed to be. But Akoma FM, any law school and as a business because share baby on the mention. That one you can mess up or be up so your adverter. Oh, when you Akoma the means more platform. You can just that is where you can bring the two together. But Akoma FM is different from your law school and it's different from maybe our school and as a business we're pretty. And so far as all you Akoma FM, don't go and find my friends are some see what school I say as near the Akoma FM in our account. So I need to know it make us say maybe and yet and no titru pa na ma but I know what be some question.
Of course
I have to answer those questions
and it's all the meaning so akasa wo honda
no men kasa ba men kasa buza media bia organ bia ni wo frame men kasa asem ni see no because asem no nye asem o ya kwakotena ase ni akoye no radio gigi na fitre sam no I have my personality as Kennedy can come. And I have every right to protect the brand Kennedy because he can come. And I will not allow anybody to mess up with me in my private life.
Because in a meeting, the catch was a walk with this be a dinner on Kayena, just say, also with the attempt on support and I'm sona.
Namino Mukra was a Sembang. Do you have any money issues with them? A municipal chief executive in a party, Sika says, yeah, they know Makoisika and Wajuma. Mubepe, maybe the NSA, Miminji, Uchamadi Aminji office. Oh, no,
not even contractors.
The Uchamadia, Miminji, Uchamadi office, Minji, that
are they?
Mimpe.
Hey,
no, Uchamadi Aminji office. Minji,
whoever, a contractor, businessman,
Mopa Monfre contractor for Omuya Juma Sokore Mampo, Namum Bisabako. But the typical one, Kramopa, and the Osia Sokore ayi. Osia Sanase market, Nana Brajas, Bojapura. He gave money to me. I said, Medana, so fun to. Say, me, he has a me pet, be Pesica de Abua party, Jumabia, Memoma. There is no contract, one contractor, per on frame, and catch them say, one man is coming. No way, you can come and give me money in my office. I don't touch money, I don't accept money in my office. But the man say, party as some bar. Now, I'm a boa party. Now, my free oh, Minia, party for one about. Nanka omo pe bitika bibi obi omo pe 2000 bi na 1000 na 5000 bi ya ejuma ti me sro hwe mo ame.
Okay,
that's what I do.
I see.
Say obe chemis ka maji no way minji sika was kore mampo wo ye me den
unji bida
no me say one contractor should come to me go and I may say civil servants no you can come and investigate the place is there go hey obi an pe masemo Kofi minimanu yo me say minimanu yo ti me kwa na me kuta me kura me mfa so kore mampo sika once in two kwa brochire da in my essence I'm going of 2 years but makwa brochire almost 6 times me say me mfa so kore mampo sika penny say me kwa brochire say take it and na hotel bills me fa bin to kwa da
na say assembly more official assignment I am
me de me sika kwa me de official assignment. That is the kind of work that I'm doing there. Go and me say mo yes some investigative journalists. Go there you obi oyejuma assembly nipa be 180 you obi na pema asemo.
Yeah.
So you can go to the assembly and go and do that investigation. Say mo MC say on farm on G sika ntu kwanda no mun kan kire da omunyi ma da ma ji musika tu kwanda. I'm telling you me say me G sika da. So what I do is say duru say ye juma what I say na MPP assemble na ma fro. O minua mo me party for him. And the committee na mo pesika na me suma mo sa mo nko nipa ko na nko jisika what do I say? Ti mo call first one, yeah, mom. Second, another one I'm pay sika me say mama call ni pa na ko jisika. What I say? The third one I'm ko jisika no na mo call. Ba na panyimu bia ba na mi nko mo di aduane sem bia ba takre me. Ana me free ni pakro na say oh, panyimu bia bo no mo se mo hia aduane. Ti mi so mo nko tu aduane ka. E wo restaurant mi bo restaurant di na mo mame. Ndi mo ko tu aduane ka wi na mo ko ho sa mo ko e no so chief amame disika no cry adwuma bi o.
Okay.
What do you say?
Okay.
Ano frame na msi debi aduane na msi kotua na ka no ye different from when you different me sro ti say ni say dia na so na chief na me na me nim ni sa ano di sika de sa ma o na woni pa na woni ni we na woni ni pa na we wasa me gaja say na woni ni pa na we eye me na me kire so ko me man kasa ko kra ko sika na man frame na o mo fa ma o ntu ko ye na eye sa na ti debi aduane na sem no e different from the me catch it say yem omo no it is obetumi ayem omo anna nipa no ye ni mienu nyina de ma
because yes omo kwaji sika omo kwaye so akwaje edi
omo sika no omo sika no omo ne hwan na de catch omo so omo kwaje me na me kire wo say ana me catch wo say me anna so omo pesika no mba me say mo nko wo nko jisika mo nko ha nko jisika mo nko wo I call them sometimes in front of them na me the number mo ebi okro mo call election me say mo nko jisika we ho da mo fa nko election nti omu dise mi ni omu disi ka jijajije we adwuma be na me no omu yebom
aye me nwanwo
o be say adwuma me na me boa wo ana me kire wo say ye nko kochi ade wa e na me ka kire ndibuza say sika be na me no omu kwaji ye kwaji ne party office ana ye kwaji national headquarters ana ye kwaji regional headquarters me a me to na me no me a me ka se Kofi mo ba cho ko hu ni party masi we na omboa kwaji sika wo asa me ka dia say what I say wo ko na ni pa na so chief amam de akoya adwuma fofora e usika na makoji sika na odia ana MPP sika di free akra ba na makoji so what are you talking about no me bisa contractor one say was say me wa ma miska mamaji me obodi papa akọ de mame o hene me gia na o ya no bisi wona o se da bi kama ne onu amamre mi sane na msi da bi nti ye na ai say papa ne free ba na me okay fama me ti me gi sika no a me ne di nkomo wie no a me do to na me say na mpesa o ya de mame sro boa me na se dena me so esi me ba hanche ana esi aso party adwuma bia mai sika me gia mai ne basasa e besen ti me srewa sika we fato ma me na me share that sign me signature wo envelope na me me sika me signature onye usika o ba me so de to ma me se de be basasa emre so na me hia me fro na mama o ma beji as at now sika no permit people be the contract number ma friend na dia to
scandal so no
e won ho menjiye because oche say o say no we panyini o hene no hene abra say wo ba ye be ma akwa aba it is bro o say ye edin but me so mu na me ka che say sa jisika na fakoto ma me na da me hia no me ba beje and na me no ka say is able getting to 2 years now the money is with him and this I sika no grow mu ka ho azam ni say no na me be ye program bi wo ho St. Teresa na me sha all police station was
okay
ti na me hia sika me de be mom ti be koya me pesika dam no kwatana to obi be me sika obi me sika obi me sika ti me ho na me frɛ ba ko bi ne pa ne man program ni sika nyina
wow
over 100,000 Ghana
hey
yeah over 100,000 Ghana
which you could have pocketed that money in your
yeah no ana edi bi adwuma wie no ana me san de emu 16,000 esa no de kai ne ye 100,000 ye adwuma ni nyina wie na bi ka 16,000
party adwuma
me de ko yes me de ko ye share police station for over 100,000 and 80 ni nyina me show mo e this kan tete ye bi twa ho ka ye bibia me this kan kra ye bibia mo mo nyina wie no ana be ka 160 na me se mo maji amfanko na bibia mo pesa mo de ye party adwuma bia mo bamba na mo ba mo office baji na me this kan ma mo ko they say 100,000 it bia na ho na me ka je zede bi mama mo ye nkoji bi cause as kan kra koji jini nyina wie de beto ba ko fa asem kra ba party mo na ngo sanko fa ka zo mo skan ngo mere pemu no ma ba yeren ya ba baji say asem foforo ba
ya kwaje ne ya
simple because me nkoji say scan me to ma ba ka je zo parties come ana me ma won nkoji so na obi scan ko ye baby so put the money there scan so na why we ko fi bi mi scan so mi edwe o
na so nya scan
da bi mi se mi ni scan so mi edwe
no scan de
o da bi mi ni bi
kind scan de
so me no me ma
as young as on vendela ko vota na o Saturday state I know you
be gumani masia
yeah it's not about money
as ko man pon ho nyina budget nyina the whole year is about 5 million Ghana cedis including monies that come from the controller accountant general di tuo is enyina sika ho o waketu enyina ka ho
entire Sokore Mampong
budget na a whole year kraba
5 million Ghana cedis, including common fund
na sefo abeba nyina na agye fa nyina
some mo okrum DDF
no because ni nyina baba obeye budget a ode beto ho no abeye no the whole thing is about 5 million cedis na sene dia ya juma na ye de sign etuaka na akasen ana de so kaso ko dizwa nyonko na betimi dio it's a line
this will be a DB
na abachicha we dey bia be na 10,000 na me 10,000 go anywhere me nyesika ni but me dey me must go
wow I think it's more there's more clarity to sang koma akosi memma Sokore Mampong for abem afi memra me question me obe 4 question about Sokore Mampong development. Now we are coming to the development. Producer line ewo echire ho producer standby or ene MC na nkasa wa ha every question about Sokore Mampong obetimi any producer kasa utie na question no ye more a year obemo abisa 0244 16 20 51 0244 16 20 51 only as Sokore Mampong municipal bia opesa ubisa question MC ewo ha no now potholes municipal near one area near the Champoa because Muntaka a lot of things brain but we having a lot of potholes about number 1 most of the other areas I feel be say me south zango bia ye buogu Samadinia Mosque I close to Sabo Zongo. These two.
One pothole there is an issue with me now.
Yes.
We go contractor who dey juma ne man no. Or your juma na according to urban roads engineer no. Was it papa na wu.
Oh, contractor na or your potholes.
Me that is a report of the man. Who say me ma ubia ko amani na juma.
Okay.
Every department. Me I don't intervene in department work.
Okay.
Say about urban roads obey juma is our planning budgets coordinating director ubia. Obey your fiscal plan upo obey juma.
I see.
You come and report to me.
Okay.
Then we discuss it. Maybe our challenges, no. Then we sort it out.
Okay.
According to the urban roads engineer, no. The contractor the juma man no. O share poto na say potos na juma sa. O ya juma ni wie no. E du ba bia o mo koye yi na say o se papa na wu. Ama juma na jina kakra.
Wow.
And that is my problem. Me kra no fine. Me nim contractor no.
Wunya nim contractor.
Da bi nsha na kra da. Me contractor
all year juma wo no. But why don't you look for him?
Why
now
somebody is in charge of the thing. Urban rules engineer. And you be na me kan mere bia e won hia zo mo se me nya contractor me nya engineer. Me ko na so de ko ta gu kwan so a. Na se nya a friend say deti o kwan na dey afra abo na how will I know? Enye majuma. Asa me ka dey say. But you be a training no a or T-cent growth means the way they beat me papa.
Okay.
When you beat me papa. I just call Guinness. You Guinness product ni we are. We do all the big can not the way they Guinness taste ni. One of the major or you from testers.
Yes.
One of the major no.
I ben ni JB.
And do all the major. Yeah. It is a call Guinness.
Yeah.
Now say your Guinness I say we uko jana so akonum Guinness no. Wa onya tester no. Onya onya expert tester no.
Yeah.
You are just joking. Both a Guinness na watene pampa bia for no. But the tester will tell ebia ha say ne there. Fermentation level ne was low. We will say it was specialist o me wajuma. Obi akodu school akotana akoye road engineer. Akwa wi ababa ye na juma was local assembly. I was a number of experience. A juma contract ne ba ye tenase ya tender committee atena so ye tenase wi a do mo ye the best we select nyina wi a paper na ba seminar me MC nensa ma san wi me san wi a nipa obetimi kura ko sie onim tape mu a what I say nipa onim tape mu a obetimi atworo say we ye ka say square meter e bia roadway depth na say for na ayo no na juma mi tape adwuma nya majuma me account na majuma asa me ka dey say e die nti na contractor no ma sign na wi ye wako register akogin document aye ni bibia how say me nko free no
but supervision go round and check
that entina me say supervision dey me ko
okay
because supervision I don't need the contractor
okay
say oye na juma e go put the up abusa engineers o mo hono me kura me hwe supervision kura se wo mo
okay
me supervision sin wo ebu okra na Saturday was ebu Saturday Sunday me ya new assembly block no me tena ho mu so sa na obi amadwuma me so me ko tena contractor for no so twa wo mu ya dwuma ebu at 12 midnight afina na yefra dwuma
so contractor na ja ho because what is wo
according to the urban roads engineer contractor na wunti amadwuma no agina asama me ka ti ase enti na afi ni ya repackage ye hwe kon ba fa because I say wu yes no so no adwuma no de obe take over na ebusuasem bi ni na say for that is what was I'm reporting what my engineer has told me and you can call him and ask me the number man my friend
okay
say now chief executive ka and he say na ayet say na mu musa no say chief executive on sometimes no mammo ntie masem na sa mu ma me fa engineer na ba man na mu friend say chief executive tia now say portal ni say na tie enti say na wo ye no one me no
your own engineer and they will go to Urban Rose Kumasi
Urban Rose Kumasi
the regional director
so no show no regional director can Gambra say we bet me cry for
Gambra will help us
and I say we bet me cry for Gambra and I say I have been calling Gambra over and over severally
nti aswanse portals and the whole because
a delay
because contractor
according to me contractor na
okay
but me dey say contractor no obituary ne nasefo no me inform me hu no
okay
all the mention no say akoye the post nasefo no I don't even know the contractor and the post akra bo a me hu no da me contractor wa wu a no ye KGM toilet e won sisi ne ba ko ni no fa say ye consultant no be see mayi
okay
me sa contractor no fifi and e be na yi o Santa Sekora Saturday do some of the people I know them
okay
all the people so
1 minute my this college na swatch good morning
hello
why am I in ka say
me pa friend ko abnapia me pa free speaking
sepetim pum okay
edikan na bom nanti abaso MC abaso sa toilet na o mo ye na fifi me beneficiary
okay
nemo mi problem na ye masokoy ma school junction o me dey ba swaba last stop
okay
ye next one gas point na make am ada wa che me kai se muncha ka time na omo yes o mu so that time omo ya fine omo juice na NDC see that time till now the fan na ye tantan and only a bit to for me say as koy man na I find the high pa it in patcho bika me MC man say that thing and on the corner na that no maybe
okay Jimmy Mundo to down some of these things now he will deal with that okay and a lot of things
development no say
yes but Omono would want to pick up for me Omono would have to tell us their problem
no but I say me so me ka dey bebre oh the when you be cry council so wie na bia
say bia omba then am go say okay we cry dey say bia yaye no but we will explain that good morning Pacho Weni
hello
yes good morning when am I ka say
Joseph Menson Protoa regional chairman me chia oni wa chiefo nyina me chia ona bo
okay
the na me make no ye de na o kan sisi afa achede ho no oh yeah me call personally or buy no ye ko chia no na ye bro nyambre o de said na o kan wa envelope no so le modu o we ya no de to cannot die access and also the family say adie we on poi na sisi ya no o ko baby nti yamfa nkoto ho ma no na bretem no obefra ma ye de abre no afetwem
onyamfa ma on frem but anope me fra JB say the birthday to family fia wow I see I see. Okay. That is a pro 12 for. As a more pro 12 will be the MC bar pro 12 for Bukochiano. Okay. And I'm going to Asante. Good morning. Yeah. Good morning. Hello. Good morning. Check it. Yeah. Good morning.
Hello.
Yeah. But yeah. When
hello. Good morning.
Yes, sir. When I'm in the
About only Felix and Cafe, so about Junction.
Okay.
me pese me bisa next born gas kwan na e de ko I told filling station na wo
Asunaba filling station ho nyesa. Okay, Mate obe you no. Yeah, pick up I'm so as once for me 5 callers na me jai na MC ayi mano. Good morning.
Good morning.
Why na me ka say?
Efrem Ibrahim Abubakar Ababu number 1.
Okay, Ababu number 1 mamintio.
The so bisa chairman say since our honorable Ali say the office. Ababu DN development no di ba.
Since honorable Ali do say do free honor DN development no
development no di ba Ababu number 1.
Ena ono
we have Pelele here.
Okay.
Which ono nga nkasa nim dia isi wo Pelele da.
Okay.
Development then no di ba.
Okay.
And then secondly, your park no women them.
Okay.
Up to date for about 2 years and at the end of your found.
Okay.
And then third one, your bakun so about post office at the end of your found. And then fourth one, so about family so I call affordable. And right school bus a band baby an office at the end of your found.
Okay.
And the fifth one, who call a Dr. Razak Hospital on my Udurman filling station on Muna. Manika Cow Hospital on our photos get baby at the end of my found. These are mobile, a young development plan on the bar.
Okay.
And secondly, you have to say, almost sing, a more barber to scam, so then a Tokoro Dino. When you bring out in the crowd, because I didn't just about to cry.
Okay.
You better demonstrate against you. Into when you have the Zambia, because two party development beyond by
Okay, that is your question. What is about 5 of them, several? Okay, so MC, these are your residents. Concerns, mamintio.
The one I think say
a quine bay tuna, nipa bay tuna.
Sawaba, Sawaba Honum, Asunaba filling station. No, for me, a
very big headache of the municipal. And yeah, make quite a man can me.
Yeah.
One was a contractor, maybe tools.
Okay. Near award.
Near your crib, maybe I can hear pine at Drew baby a danwa.
Okay.
The metals were contractor no. The government own him about 4 million Ghana cedis.
Okay.
Abaning to me is coming to my contractor. The contract in Emerald Sama Metias say, Sawaba Hon. And also so ye was a na bridge in Isha. Or Nesbon gas one. I don't be Pija bridging.
Okay.
I don't beam. So on a mission. And since you know at me collectively hono conwa, drew Sawaba Hono, I say Hono, a Honusha. Because no be we when you no volume bit me collecting.
Okay.
But you go do honors and a honor quacketwa. Pressure and a banner a pretty quine or day. You go take a contract and a best eye the next.
Okay.
In a quine a free Sawaba or convent. Come ye be a commerce academy or con Nesbon honor. A good see a sort of filling station, no 2 baby. Your friend is a Akoma house honor.
Okay.
Guys, a couple of us a pet in Boma of us a big bridge and so on. Nanko could see, you know. I so Cormampon, RC school on. Or the channel. Casacani is short. Uncle free about traffic lights in a ban, Uncle Drew and Uncle go straight. Uncle Copicumas Academy.
Okay.
Think of traffic and a sea war. A year inside the holding and Canina Baker.
Okay.
But a contractor, I'm a friend of me, I'm a friend of the call for my quarter. And then a cocasa.
Oh, fan and a quam,
a call for my quarter. Okay, for my quarter, nothing in an MP.
Yeah.
When he was an MP, I was an MP, and then I be free parliament. When I call him, and we are so very quiet for so many men. But then I'm saying, the can't you know. On Chada Mat a Jumano.
Okay.
A Jumano cry, because who knows so that cry. Oh, and I affected back on one. A was Sawaba on the bridging is no. It should to be a degree. You don't be the borders no good. Most of the bank are very reduced, but who's the current of water no? No matter what say. When be a man mention a mess and but since you know I'm a team no. Me team free. A family chapel that you want.
Yeah.
And then a friend is Susano. A team who's a flock of a kupuma for ya. Said by ensure no bit me be a gina na a timia quine. A fast system nima a court baby as a cobia. And no a one. So I don't so that China. Ensure never far. Baby are not fair insurance for office one in an and also free baby are plenty take you off on a bar befa be fast line. Now fast line akɔbɔ ɛyɛ saa susani mu wɔ ase hɔ ɛno nso sɛ esu ɛti ne nyinaa mu atetetete saa nsuo ne nyinam sɛ de bɛyɛ a ka nsuo tɔ a obiara bɛnya kwan yɛ dafa no baabi ɔhene ayi kora baako yɛ adeɛ bi one businessman yɛfɛ no Benab construction sisan ala line sɛ bridge sɛ ɔno a individual de find ɛde ne sika yɛ bridge no deɛ meyɛ ane sɛ yɛma no resource person yɛma engineer foɔ no kɔ hɔ nom kɔ direct ɔmo kyerɛ ɔmo materials ne ɔma ne ɔmo hia ne n'asefoɔ ɔmo de bɛyɛ saa adwuma no ana ɔmo kɔyɛ saa adwuma no wɔ hɔ a yɛde ɛkɔ.
So as you speak, that Aduanaba road ni there contractor ni or the car about 4 million
Ghana cedis.
Nti onyama so and you have no idea when.
Nti ada say me push it for termination. Dem ka dia say.
Okay.
Na bi o masare award contract and ama obi fufu.
And enye na asem.
Yeah, they send the stuff. Say me metra ha me twa ntro. Me promise say o ye be. Sika no nyame ana sa contract no nye assembly contract.
Central government.
Central government. Sawaba kwan na sa road no.
Yeah.
Urban rules for penyu regional urban rules.
Okay.
On this why oba inhia so afọ mu a find me out ho. On the bridge ni buye.
Yeah.
Ba ko bia akọfa free asori bi e show grace.
Yeah.
I church one. On the bridge no so e wo share away. And I say for sa bridge bi je wo she ni nyina no. E ka sa package ni ho a according to Gambra. Yesterday I called Gambra. On the omo a opa here ma me hwe go say Gambra and number ni. On say urban rules engineer Gambra. And we call history. On say 117 enra.
Yeah.
Meba.
Yeah, yesterday
yes, I called him to talk to him about it. And this I no ye beyond the assembly no. So what I mention because even the contract threshold no above the assembly. Who's the assembly no? And I'm over visa BBA or Hobia or assembly no municipality yo. Municipal no see package contract be ho. Na bro 1 million Ghana cedis per. It goes to the regional coordinating council. Ebanesa na me mean transfer kra. This is called regional tender committee. So until ye no wo baby a wa ho de den ekopem. And it is a soro a yes what they call regional coordinating council so. Now regional tender committee ehwe so.
Okay.
And e bi won so na regional tender committee so a just called national. So until you over say bi ade da ho na ye asem kese bia na e UMC nko ade. Ese utimi yes adwuma no.
Pelele nsuo
yatim this year.
But obi abisa sisi
ase de no. Pelele mu this year. Senka woni Bernard ye free a. Inshira former producer Bernard. That year tibu me Bernard was there with me. You call Pelele and no call ya hwe ya omoti wo nyina no. Kumasi regional hydrological if one of the contract no ema omo a. Omo be team kra a level change na. Pelele ni nyina.
Okay.
Ya timu this year.
Ya timu. Okay.
Ya timu no.
Okay.
This happen then ya timu no.
Okay.
So this year ya tipelele mu.
Port was be okan said that one chen ho.
Yeah, asokore mampon.
Yeah.
Baby asokore mampon hini statue ni sino.
Okay.
So na mention.
Okay.
Na sa de no. I say akrase aye, sa poto ni aye. Because no mo koye slab ne to so a. Na articulator was ho no. Can normally no. E kro vivnis ano. Articulator ne sa car sa kese heavy duty cars are supposed to. Any cause mo apply that road no. But a hona ko to say appear way to Accra.
Yeah.
What's what me fa about traffic light? Now I ko si sepe. No ko fa Asokore mampon. No ko pie pa ko so. No afa mu sa ko si ketikro no. No ko bomu a Pride junction.
Yeah.
And this year obo free airport ne swamefo no mo ko Accra ni nyina no mo fa Asokore mampon.
Okay.
So until omo de sa pressure no. E fa sa ade no so a o ya na abu. Me ko ya kra menya ya kra no. Ya ne be 4 times. Tinansia no mo di strategy ba ya ko fra na. O ma jai a concrete ade no ano mumu ye koye dade ni bi dade en kasa te say railway na de ni bi ano mu de akosho ma so I'm talking to you now baby Asokore mampon hini statue see Asokore mampon finfini ona omo kan wasam that thing has been mended.
Is that the area now kan wasam?
Dr. Razak.
So when how baby Dr. Razak one?
Yeah, that is.
How baby Dr. Razak?
Use microphone.
Yes, Dr. Razak.
How baby Dr. Razak? Cars ni time muni kura to pa jama mu de boulders bi abegu shops na anymore. Yeah, that is the police. E wonu free one akwa Asokore mampon police station. And the nipa no kura na bi kura no a. Now
mo ye da be.
O ache se no nyina ni na si amena mo nyina.
Kofi, there's another particular place so or answer questions no maybe bisa no. Obi susu bisa abuabu post office astrute.
Me pass so pa me pass no. E hono mo ko sesa abo no efiri so no.
Okay.
Akure mu ho no.
Okay.
Wo zan kura no ko sesa abo no aye news kase bi aba ya mo ka ho asem a. Sa me pass no. Omo de ma Zongo Development Fund de ma.
Okay.
Saturday Zongo Development Ministry.
Okay.
Now the ministry is not there again.
So you don't even know where the contract is.
The contractor knows so a year and we're too quiet. Or any money na relocation, you know. And we relocated to US. It is ongo development office na what presidency no. E buy amoma baba ye repackage ni bibia. Last Michia no e sarki zongo e yase. Ana me ne ka wan so no say minua. Isi ade so onim say kasem. Ti e po bia onyo obi kuro betimi aye. Sa adwuma no a owi obetete ne ka beauty kura no a e kwa da won sa so to finish ka wo pa. Omo ko bobo nkra ne bobo 1 hour bi omutu ase 200 ase 150 on the million tiga yenya obi obetumi aye sa ade no na nka wo de aye adwuma tete a nka betumi aboa. So as I said, now it's open.
So Oma me clear her at your time. I asked
me pass that be ko to ye.
I must start that is
ayo na krom de me ko to ye. Contract kwa minimum da me ko na sa adwuma tinke ada me te wan se me da na it say omo praso no na de sa issue ni ba ya how na pencil factory ni wono wo se me ba afoforo me ka se me pencil factory bi ba se ya pencil factory na ye abana privatize it sure ama se obi abeto de ye say club beer for depot. Wow. The whole pencil factory ni na now no good na ka why it say hide
sold out
e na ye obi dia say na Ghana's property. And as a diversity implementation committee, diversity farmer will be. The Department call ya me person here pencil factory. No, so be na when you're interested in that. And also the Akoma will be. I think ozone scheme is nipa. Nobody why depot. Is ya no when you know makle when you have to wafa when you na no more store monsa when I cause another business. But now most important thing is an Kenya factory and kebet me afa nipa mo. And na also acquire hideout for criminals. No any poor but any poor down. But no sa de ni nyina afiri because of the activity na ba. It is ya ni nyina afiri wa omo ya adwuma ho na da ho a eye bibia. So it is astro de dem ko to ye. Ana makwa ko dizia obi a wutie me bia wani gi ball ho na wani gi bia beauty ho no. You can come forward. Ebiti the amount we are o de better to say am crofo toilet ebiti mi toilet e de je sikasa e de titi omuka e beauty you say no money boys so whoever is interested in investing in that no can forward you can do that abo traffic abo astrotef no so no and also the meme time ya na buy we say one asem kra buy onobo huntakanka omuko katiso we stop us ade no ya hu adwuma but contractor ne buy na me person me ne kasa say onhwe na nka yenye the documentation ye no ade say now he was in a rush because now be person mo political points not for into I think the documentation and cheda yenye enwie pay papa and o de nsa be kai now no I say ejina kakra ti me ne Ghana gas for no kasa serious look why do no say be kan we why don't you do it and do that? And say crowns one a contract be a Fumesa inland port. Sorry, one grand inland port. No befa pack back on Asamase. And because we can just more. Asamase middle A my pack back.
Okay.
But no so opposite Asamase press B. And also about be GIA for levels. And so about be astro therefore. Also yeah, you man can do baby nice with Jai. And in a Hong Kong problem.
Okay.
There are other places we have it. Kofi problems are was some of us we have first-hand information on it. Yeah, we are not sleeping on the job. But I didn't say
it's above you.
Of course. The project is above my threshold. MC on threshold. DC on threshold. Regional minister on threshold. What do I say? And obia level bia no se ma yantiasia. De bia no one have minister biasem. Now the question MC
but there's a question I will be able to apart from Eli Dukoy, who buy a project Ben Why? That's what you
know, make us a mincho. Me babet tena so on the 15th of October 2021.
2 years.
2 years. Now assembly no a dime Akoma 6. Now Phoebe etua eka etua adidanru afoka over 200,000 Ghana cedis, which is about 2 billion. Afibia.
Na assembly ne high
dan ahodo. Baby na works department on high.
Nanya na mo si dan kese.
Works department near high. Near high baby na fiscal planning for near agriculture for there be na fiscal planning for near other offices on now old assembly on tuaka. Baby agriculture for near tuaka. Baby your health center on near tuaka. MC baby na otte. Na ye tuaka. Ansana omu pese ye your friend is saying obi wa bi a panyimfo ne bi o se makọ han dan sei ni etuaka nju gabo na e dan han ko ano ne poka be 2 billion.
Wow.
This year 2023. Me need tenant, me need landlord.
Where you baby am high then
because now assembly needs sit down for be na o go na ye nkoko. Yes, na hon so mu dey why to say as a brothel. Tinkofo kone na ma hon no beda.
Wow.
Ana na e fan so no o mu fan nantwie no a hon na o mu dey nkogu mu ko didi. Ana fire service is one of the fit mechanic shop and o mu dey have fire toilet. Ti na hon no da ho sa. Ti e ba ye na beto fence wo fa asase be say almost 6 acres one. Was a new place na me dey asokoro mampon na chiro agu na yi. Me na me beto sa fence wo no. Me ba ya na beto sa fence wo kakaka no. E fa fire service no fa court no. Some ba court ambu. Court ni nyina na be fence ho ni nyina. Ana me yes a e form na adwuma ni nyina, wo ni nyina na me time ya na e be. Ana me tu bia free baby otibia na mdo maba ho. Ene kra metu akọ.
Oh, I see.
Me say metu a new place wo. Nti sia no assembly ni ha na hospital no na clinic na ha na e woda ba ko so mu wie na me ko ma mo ko wie ye ana metu clinic na ba assembly ni dani ana BAC for no so me do ma ba baby me do ma ko esoro wona me chem ana health department na ya ha no e do mo ko no mo da ba ko si wa no so ni wie ko yes adan de mo nti sia me no ka say no assembly no en ha da bia so it save us 2 billion every year. Na coordinating director bebe ba ho a yeko high dama no MF ba high dama no budget officer na high dama the masan crofo no bia no be ba say am no ka say within the last 2 years no me see apartment mako 9
for the assembly
9.
I know your mom assembly na mo to mo office na mo nyam
there be say I no make
I'm
coming
how do we get it
say me start free baby amete then I will be coming out. What I say? Me see we no. Coordinating director dan na is about 20% complete na me see. We are coordinating director din.
I see.
Baby MC tna. Sisi am no ka say omo plaster na dan no na ye nduru lintel kra.
Wow.
Sisi omo bosso na director post asokoro man po hene anvio.
Oh, okay.
O say na dan uncompleted na go nyina no. Go see go and look at the place. Sa ho no so no na omo beda. Omo kopake omo ka asokoro man po hene anfi. Omo ba beda. E ho na bia na fo mpanyi fo no comfortete wo na e ho no da ho sa ndi zani pa no bi go attack wo ma nso ko attack wo ma asase be say 8 acres no ya fence the entire stretch na akoro man body ma yin de ma yin na is it do asokoro man po hin opposite wa nanka ho ye nwura bi na nkrofo no wi ko toilet ho no sia na go and look at the place now. The place is now well structured that e ho no ka say why decent now I know ho no ye assembly no assembly na me no come. Baby, I know the old assembly block name painted that.
Yeah, I know.
But now, says our story now. It is over now. The place has been painted. Now you both ceiling organs. Now yes, outside ceiling. Now bathrooms ni block running way. But I know me yening in every cross and me 12 free or I call the new place now. You be we no. So the new place how to fight opening ba kunuya under the contract the man. So me call opening power Ghana ha. President, vice president, chief of 2-4, maybe chief of vice president, vice president 2-4, and a speaker of parliament. Sani pa for we move back kunya. Me mo beza me body mama za agrofo for.
Ni nua na e project na we jano ho.
Yes. Now if we say we MC now so fight say intra contract if we say asam ketwa. But I was able to do it. The contract was abrogated and repackaged and give it to somebody else. And this out a corner yakoko na nya konketwa. I was a coromampo. On say, Obi or not, no one is a cost of fees. So simple. It was easy. So, we call President Miano President Niako Press or say, the Juma, young kind of contract him, and I know 2 Vunia, and now only Speaker of Parliament, and another Vice President Nia. And call President Jina Juma Friends, and because 1 year Jumano. You think it's a small risk? MC Ben, I best say, because beside the name. But I did it. Penny have no Muna, no Muna serious. Me say, Hopenny, I did was one yati anymore. But a year, no more backward wa. More reporters never know the why is the whole compound has been sprinkled. But the sprinklers a go for because the best one of the greenest municipal. It's the municipal honor. Yes, she pay bending in area, baby, the pipes are good for money. And it's about the open water, flower, and grass, need baby, just a press of a button. Nice a stadium. Nice. Now the whole place is being watered. I know Nanchen. Every school dying, primary school, Mako 20. You see toilets, some modern toilets. Baby Ankola, ebu omu nsa ase nkola no mu benyin no onya ne period na asefo a ya mo mu room a obetimi akọ change o pad na asefo
primary schools
yes primary schools Naziria kwa aswase hospital aswase marketer uze school bi shachire ho baby aswase community center ne wono uze school na shachire ho Naziria Islamic basic school enra me ko desafa ko share headmaster ze menra
mo wie ho de
me de ahye ne nsa
na hefa biem
20 ene
wabo
Naziria me ko asokore mampon boban apakoso almost all the communities me na me kachiro
where's the toilet
changing room a changing room edema enkola o manya no teacher for there on so ho ni na WC enkola there girls so toilet ho boys toilet ho ya mo mu borehole powered borehole isi so borehole ka toilet no and yasa yes sanitation area esi yi wo a e ho no ye de dustbins na sefo aka ho a 20 of them
ewa asokore
mampo me see obi otie bibia Naziria enra after say me community engagement ye wi asawase market engagement wi no ye na me nantifa tokuro na me twa kwa nim kode safo akọ eye headmaster nsem e hand over ene ese ye bi because me pese ye na kakra won me no ebi wo ukọ sepeti mpoma ebi wo ukọ Timpomo Sebeti Bem Hospital, a bio, Oko Asokore Mampo RC Primary, a bio, Oko Pacoso Primary School, Oko Pacoso, a beer, say intimate. I started here 6 months ago.
Okay.
Tiasisa toilet no Makomaku 20, Kumasa Academy, Simakomako 3.
But how many of them were we?
Anna make us say, see, I mean, say no, you were about 10 of them.
Okay.
Oma hand over 10 of them. Kofi on me channel. Oma hand over 10 of them.
10.
Yes. Oh, magic keys na. Ye hand yes so ye the keys no. Emma the various headmasters. Bo kwa makomako 15 no be ka your friend say. Abo bo say dey abo number 1. Omu bo no musu buzu ansuo no. Enya assembly man na de buy o. Assembly man na di animu na assembly no ana de man no ana de buy. Light enquire abo light over 1,000.
What can light you from
1,000?
Ababu post office to Asokoro Mampong. Light ni ho.
Sa light no. Ebisu firi Anwaraga junction. Na ngeso ni background diska Anwaraga junction. Akopem airport runabout. Sa street no. Sa light ni nyina no is not under the care of Asokoro Mampong Municipal Assembly. It's under the care of ECG. A main street lights. The omubeye na sa solar panel na asefo no. Ye na ye. Enye municipal na ye.
Ntimuntimi nsesa.
Dabi no kwa de won't be gram fruit apple. Say ye aban no eye ECG for no. Ano ma yes adwuma no say say light free came ho ba be fa go di tulipo kwa kosi ahonje sa de o mani. Say those lights no eye ECG for projector o mo na ye. Enti be ni ECG for kasa ye kura ye say ye betua sika kura so man pon ye say nkin ko tua sika na nkin ye mpekwan fanye. You don't the bill o mo de buy. O mo gi almost 15 billion.
15 billion.
Yes. 15 billion. Eko first can
ki aboabo to Asokoro Mampong light na enye under
like
moment
enye under our administration. Say na me say ene obi wo ho a ebro ye threshold so. Adwuma bi wo ho a ebro municipal na ye. Wona me chono ntina me say ye wo contract bi wo ho a ye package kura even the municipal na kura say bi ekosi MC Bangalo. Na say ye koye omu ye estimates ni nyina na say estimate ne bro e bia 2 billion ana bro 1 million per.
Just a minute. Empire Super Concrete Blocks and Quality Roofing Sheets and Payment Cancho Sebra. And yeah, a Dambia Yesia, and I will recommend to you, MC Mo Bomodambia Samumra Empower, a number Tanzania RNG. We have one of the perfect year roofing sheeter for 20 years. We're giving you a warranty. Say a super pa, it be trouble for Eddie Amamo. Blocks type BI and Nemen Kutra blocks, Udiabra. Now you 6 inches solid, 5 inches solid, your hollow blocks and so on. Your bebu Santasia pre, 1 year office no. 2 office nina roofing sheet and a blocks frame 0271 144444 0271 144444 na 0208 396424 na about 2p garlic mixture 2p garlic 3p garlic mixture Mr. 3p garlic mixture eno garlic aye chinsuo no e de agu bottle mu e boost immune system high blood pressure to ase high sugar level why kese mu food aso brem stroke asthma ni nyina ye treat e de maw Piwak natural na dia ba 0248 928824 0248 8824 na 0201000021 na ya boa Alaska Star Enterprise, home of quality roofing sheet, Alaska, home of quality wallpapers, and in the design. For Canada, Germany, US, Spain, and Denmark, and Diaba restaurants, churches, Denmark, na the American say uduha boom say ahemfufie banking halls wallpapers abi hu bia no Alaska Star Enterprise and yeah oba most of the FM studio ni TV studios are your design kama ni nyina Alaska epoxy chemicals, waterproof chemicals, a TV no and my strip lights kama o TV nano blend curtains, original curtains ni nyina you were doom Meza Noche Plaza, Ben Prudential Plaza 0554 114878 0554 114878 na 0268 419596 0268 419596 na yetimin so abwa Ben obebe hana yebe la yes beba ana MC atwaso akere niema wodo wa ye started what he has done for the assembly, about 20 toilets and washroom, changing room for students, any other okay, a combo. Okay. That is who one a year. They are okay, complete room. Oh, okay.
For toiletries, teachers, there, boys, there, guests, there.
That's great.
Sanitary area.
Okay. Pacho producer line here 0244 16 20 51. Mwa babo aswa se potemu aswa mampo bit my friend. Question be our MC ya no bisa 0244 16 20 51. JB.
Yes, na toilet gender me bisa question. Better me finding out the source of funding. Say this from the sanitation ministry, and I say IGF no Mudisi, and I be a source of funding on the
and started free sanitation and World Bank project.
Okay.
No, I was a non-comma 12. And the consultant nearby no say or hand the site a moment. With your much you 12 site and I see the whole rounds of our. He hasn't seen an MC. What to me a DHI said you manada. Nti obey so many baba come on. And the 80 sabe come my.
Okay.
That is how we end up getting 20 of them. So you mani nadia and you need to be free some like I idea from Guardia and Castle again you.
And we are one casa war arrangement.
World
Bank project. Oh, okay.
Perhaps from a sanitation ministry Juma. And I said Nancy Grumbeck can't be one some crowd came home. It is a thing that cut across the whole municipal. But they are buying of some I'm not the MP of the area.
Yeah.
And I don't have any funds. I'm the Juma. I have buying a funds I am the Juma. It's more being I said me no back of first free baby in Niquasa deba. Common fund in a bar. I'm rather so the common fund of the Juma. It's okay to me dear and I'm the ayat. Secure the bremenoir. In the frab memo buyer. And no Bobby Sam said, "You have been a D."
Okay.
And the I agree.
How many areas na work? How common fund?
Assembly no. Areas there na. Say common fund do
one. Yeah.
Common fund no grade. As I said no. The last time I will check, now areas be check. I said last 2 quarters of this year.
Okay.
And maybe I think say what comes is here. But as I'm talking to you now, by the time, well, my man we man. No, by the end of this year, no. I'm saying that's the latest by the end of this year, no. There's going to be a fire station. How do you here? Almost 45% complete. It's about 98%
by next month.
By this year and
this year and
because
fire station.
Advertise I painting in a way. Yeah. So I dine in a sea assembly next year on a form on.
Okay.
And a fire station. So fire service no almost the tender as if we never even cry fire station cry baby or when you phone back a home baby operative from as one mention. Besides that, no, apart from toilet now, yes, Yama and Kolano. More schools, so 20 years, various primary schools and secondary schools. Public in Ankasano, you see toilet Makuma 12. I know so
12 public toilets. I know say World Bank.
I know your project is one free sanitation. Ministry also I know so they buy a Makoma
12 hour we
as a requirement for the baby and Abdul Samid Mox. Also because Abdul Samid Mox any case because now
okay.
Friday.
Abdul Samid Mox.
And no toilet. You see
Omawi.
Yeah, man, yes, be ho, yes, be wo.
But Omawi.
Yeah, we. Ah, omodi ya juma se.
And I have fun.
Toilet am no ke sibi wo asokore mampon. Yes, be wo bobai. Yes, be kontompo ni afere. Yes, be Omawi. Enra kra kontompo fo ba ya na toilet o masi dada na nya ya no mo ye ho adwuma. I think the septic tank no problem on.
Okay.
The na jase hene. Ene o hima na musini. Ena kontompo ayi boba cha me mu ba na enra na me no mti wa ya kan bi ho asem.
I see. My father's caller. Good morning.
Hello. Good morning.
Yes, morning. Nyame adom. Okay.
So when
Nyame adom.
question now Ibrahim Bisano. When me anu crowd, what did you Asante? Baku question baku ni say Dr. Razak Hospital. In Chehono bring you Ebudu.
Dr. Razak Hospital. Okay.
And sana toilet now say what is no. Me pese mu ankasa usuma akwala ba one bra so asi one bra down. No one be hwehwe nyama na o to toilet ni final so ni.
Me ba to toilet na e wo ho ana eni ho.
But it's a you know be increase tax so for tax ni we no. Onu dey entiach you. Na come say you know.
Okay. Okay. Me ba to o say Dr. Razak in Chemo na. Yeah. No, I know there you don't go there. So I'm saying Dr. Razak around that area there's a big pothole that area.
Well, then I can say any how they be a man uncle.
Dr. Razak.
I have so I feel no catch them. Say honestly speaking, me can say problem be was be I know I'm on top of many of them.
Yeah.
Says here Kasakure, as a community free asawase.
Okay.
Unza asawase bridge back with bugu mo Roma say no.
Yeah.
Unza back so bugu. And it's a major problem ba.
Yeah.
I'm in the regional minister can once a regional minister no cry ateki top on himself. Wakache urban rules for the urban rules. Uzo biankai. But I know that is a big problem within that.
So Dr. Razak one you are not aware.
Ana make can see na Martin wasemi.
Ube ye follow.
Me frɛ member urban rules ni me wi member urban rules na kwahwe na oye ho adwuma. But Kofi and also na esa mama nka me dia kra o.
Don't worry. Yeah, good morning Wayne.
Hello?
Yes, Wayne am na ka say.
Pacho, you're from a pious because I first expecting home.
Okay.
But say Ubisa MC mama say bridge a link in between the petting home and the Asokoroman pon and the co as a big junction hono.
Okay.
And so toa say you know it's yiri for hono nyina egu faso. Majority of cars are echo and no more bring now be anti for.
Okay.
Very dangerous pa. Secondly, MC ka say me say also mo tinsi no edisi hono be se ko sisala line afoja.
Yeah.
Na omo tinsi no edru asabi junction hono mo de ko no. Omo ambie nsuo no mu omo gya no saa omo edodo yura no. Ana omo ko si afoja ho. Enti ma se nsuo no e ba na se dru bridge no so a na bu aflade afo hono mu nyina. Enti sa hono mu de omo ambie mu kra.
Okay. Okay. But that's it. For last one. Then Nana Sensu Mensa. Nana Sensu Mensa, me producer at large from US. I didn't question about. So I will ask. Yes, the last person. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, Wenny.
Kofi Asante.
Yes, sir.
Your family Alaji Zakari Siedu.
Okay.
With the Yeda MC as papa. If you say Yanya MC onti a bro no so, and so by no, was yes a bro no so. If you say you were Halidua or no bro no we so. One year MP no, so sama, control be anywhere to me by for the last 4 years. Ono by no to say, Bibia, I have more. I'll buy all skills in a kakra. Since I'll buy was it 2 years? What is say one MP no and a problem? Problem be anyhow. Can come here that was it. And a 2. You were mocks be a muscle Sabozongo. Intercosi almost 2 years. Honorable can come by what you may see here. My BM.
I know Saminia Mox. Okay.
What may be a mox no.
Okay.
Yes, hello.
Me da se my fa the next caller. We want questions. I'm as what they were there.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Wajawani.
Your friend Baba Ibrahim.
Baba Ibrahim.
Ababu number 1.
Ababu number 1 here.
Yes. Yes. yɛdamo atumi adwuma pa yɛma Asante.
Yeah.
Ba me kankan waka anyema bebree by enye ni na ɔyɛ.
Okay.
Palele bridge no to 0 kilo. Photos ɛwɔ hɔ anafa bia wobɛhu sɛ go slow ɛwɔ kwan no so. Ba ɔno de ɔmfa hɔ nti yɛka kora mfa no ho. Ba deɛ ɔka no deɛ wanyɛ hwee ɛwɔ Asawasi. Secondary Kotia line railways de the omo store no last time aka say the omo to edua no wayi omo e de omo akọ ebi ba omo frɛ say enye no frɛ say odi omo akọ enye no frɛ say odi omo akọ nso store no yesisi no enye store ye de to edua because store omo be to provision store
okay
answer na manpon Dr. Paulo bridge bi ewo ho photos ewo ho enu so ni na wanye nso obenye platform na oka se waye bibia wa Asawasi nso ya ye wo no ye hu se waye bibia
okay me da say
photo no photo yi
yeah photo dey
maka ho asem
yes
say contractor no according to urban rules so go tie me foforo no a sa na me urban rules engineer ka kire say the potante ama adwuma na ye hya ase ye nyina no agina afa ni every package a ye hwe kwan be fa so be ye etimi nka asem aye bibia wa na me metimi nya bibia wa Asawasi
of course
metimi nya ni nyina wa Asawasi at least metimi aye du baby me duru sa baby kro no a me so say be ma be ye bi wa me nyina we gya hwa ko but kakra ya ye no de yeso ebetimi ere
akwati ala nduem hofo na amoshi stop no bodo omakwan
akwati ala nduem ho na agi ye no yakogi asase wa de adwuma ka sekese ye se no no nwasa wa de adwuma ka sekese no ofa Kenya sia
okay
ona meje kosi abrimu ha then na wo no kwan so no ona wa de no kwa de mo ma mpanyifo no bi na kopa asase no ana o se ho no ye ba bi o betimi abo mo the contractor na wo ye adwuma na kotua ka wakotu eskanim de ama ohene no but I think that there was a small problem eba ho unze ho no nye me jurisdiction ho yakwa is
okay
and I think the assembly member no ene ahemfo no bi ni nasefo no nya issue kakra so the last ohene na nkasa kra ba me ho so obecheche ma kire me anam ka jenze on hwe so obesolve sa problem because wagis kana wi ama nkofo na ba be dua sa so atete asase ni bia wi na bibi sa ba anya fine omo no solve omo so mo hwe ama ho adwuma zata na ye yoko hene
okay
ano ohene dem otumfo dem anese onhwe nkasa asem no okay oyiko no so ni tu kwan ko ba bi ti o ka je ohene ko hene ba o mehwe sa asem no nyina kan firi o e ma chia mi fo ni bi kra mi na minimum mo frɛ wo mu e ma ye bisa ne ho asem ho aso ohene ne te wo enti nka sanye sa asem ne ba ya e bia nka ba na akro bia nkomo wa de adwuma ka se kese a anko bia nkomo ye o madwuma e wo sana nka ko ba enti za de sa
ti da be no be move
ana because sa
until says
media
okay
azama me gadi ase
some but my we on it
asase no de media ana on say hon so asase no ye man tiase na me put on record say asase da wo nyina wo say nuam ho no enkofo asase o
okay
mo lease
okay
mention na de lease na de
ama wo
na mention de asase ama obi na ni pansor be ni project MC metimi akasa me ntiase
akwati ala ho
akwati ala asase ni nyina prod numbers no prod number 51 prod number 52 45 48 ni nyina no prod na numbers so prod numbers ni enti asase
railway died na ti ho
yes railway line wo ho ana ye war reservation ho di me ko ye no o ma ye rezoning somewhere since 1987 ho ba bi kra
wow
ama ohene e de ama so tu for the asase man krofo ama o mu lease na sifo nyina
I see.
Na me de asase a otu for the ama obi so obi vanya na djuma no.
Who are you?
Me tima ko gina ni musa me mprema obi ko na djuma. Ni paso be na djuma no ba na odi ni defendants
document ni
bi. I na de hia me person me bought the right document ni.
Okay, ni lease ni
lease.
Okay.
I normally pay allocation. Say one of the requirement abetim de ama permit allocation.
Yeah.
Because the unya allocation pana it gives you a green light to do permit at the money pan. But na allocation aba o na ebu ko na lease attached to the allocation. O se me say me nya da me nya ho adwuma na me metimi no tumfo metimi enu tumfo akotwema nso wasa I can't do that and e bia obi wo ha no office meti ho na bia se metimi ye ne o ma bi na sefo o hini ba akokora bi de ya assembly you know o man na kokoto sa nya judgment
I see
e wo court o ma court amano even eviction order possession order nipa ni bitim ba mo ka kire be say ma me mpene ma o hini na nya adwuma na je say me nkonya contempt ya me kostopo ohene na na je se me makoya contempt of court.
Of course.
Na ze me mako di nkrofo bi echa ma me manya aban amani o. And I don't want to be like that person say me to as MC me your friend is me lawless.
I don't want to be that. Can be sir.
Of you ma me come so me no make akra.
So the question by da ben na ye be airport there. Kumasi International Airport
is tied to central markets and children's hospital. So a project name is one contractor na
yeah.
Na eno adwuma no de eno so say that contract
central government
is above me a threshold. So me de me ho na me didi ho kakran ana de me ka dia say but our contract no the total sum involved is above me. So me catch you say be we no November na December na January
we didn't throw
because enya me kwa na me san me de ne say omu wi a ho tax no ne oma ne de me na begije di e be yinyi ne de begije adwuma wa so
oh yeah
on me na it say adwuma na nkasa kra ne ba yemu na se fon there it was signed in Accra. And the may need even control over the contractors. But the fact is, I have built a relationship with them. But the last time I checked, you say many regions Mr. Dihon Komano. Now, Omone finance ministry arrangement to be on person who will be a sort of contractor out. Now, Kumasi Airport because I can't they just need to join the runway.
Yeah,
Omu join the runway in Nipana. And I said, behind a say plenty of taxi and I say, for join the pair, they can use the new terminal. To mu join on come pulu na all the old ones nanka you should new terminal na kra na be ma machines na active how my hona come so I spoke to the regions and the regions catch them say o ma ye ho adwuma the amount involved aka giving project is about $4 million think I think be a finance ministry peska bi nanka move am mo nanka yan because of sa financial arrangements na buy no on the mention on so yes yes debt exchange ni na se fo bi na buy no on the mention it most of the international funders no e ko ma chikakra now we am it is a finance minister to Paris club na se fo no reach conclusion anya agreement is no so it's likely all those contractors will come back again. They will remobilize themselves and come back again to come and complete it. In the Megajina catch they will say maybe November, December, January.
You'll be lying.
I
like the sincerity.
Yeah.
But what team man for a frayer? I'm saying somehow can I don't know what's why about when
now more can't say my own so
I've been so why
so until I catch some best all team conversation have way na Obisa me catch say you be na bepa was.
Yeah.
Obi why you cry on powers and why you cry no obeso and obi a why na adwene say wahye daada no opa fa nsuo kura nsuo bucket ma ice water bucket ma gunu so o ka se wahye daada o ye de wonyane opa fa nsuo kura de tutu akwo gunu onyane but adwuma America no me bobo so no enye adwuma ye fa na o ma nko financial aspect of it about the finances what I inherited and other things. I think I've talked about it here before and I don't want to dwell too much about it so I mention adwuma ya ye no enye adwuma eye ebiankratas wa adwuma physical structures me no kasa me se enra me kwa so ase market kwa kasa wie ye no me wura tokro dim twa akwa nim ko Naziria Islamic basic school e got the key koma omo so they should go there asama me gadia say enye say o me se ko ho say yensi dan wo wa ana yensi toilet wo wa ko asokore mampo RC primary what I say baby a school no mo de breaks age ho opposite Kumasi Academy.
Project Abubu you've only mentioned toilets.
Oh say, I can say,
what are the other projects?
My main country one district as a challenges is about sanitation.
Okay.
Unemployment. What do you say? What do you say? Sanitation, unemployment, rules. These are the three basic problems at Asokore Mampo. Asokore Mampo no, I see.
Okay.
Asase ni wo biom. Asase wo nyina airport asase. Ana de Asokore Mampo hina de ato wose so oni wa de obabedi na de Asokore Mampo hine waye ne say on fast as ni nyina e Asokore Mampo traditional council na emma but we so e de ya onu be free ho
nti fofo ba no
nti wa hye da atwa asase ato wose de oni wo obabedi na de no ono so ba on fast asase no emma konwa ne ho bra nti asase bi wa on fa ne nsan kan fa ma unza ohine nton asase nti on fa ma nti apart from asase na Asokore Mampo hine edi agu ho no
nti asase bi
any airport asase na eda ho no opa yenko Asokore Mampo ko asase wo hine fa asase ajize bi a railway reservation
mo manya baby for 1 million one district no agenda 111
yes yakoji airport asase ya sha enu kwa say menka ho asem nti na wo say we na me say we say the ka agenda 111 no asoro man pohema asase bi but na ye hia more than $15 million to reclaim the land and also ye be ya sa repackage ade no enu kwa wati me atu ai tache ni nyina free so a wo dey boulders aguzo awie no asase nda ho fellow for 1 year say dey betes ye wo say be ya na senye yi 1 year no kura no say be ya uni senye tu ko boka $15 million no kura wia and also ya say na assembly ko for $50 million $50 million Ghana cedi kura nya na ko kase $50 million. So when I came in, I started the renegotiation with the Ghana Airport Company. And I'm just a Ghana Airport Juma we know. It's being financed by Ghana government. And I call for no one of the a year nyoma be bisau. And sana wanya airport or international status no. Hospital. So where is your hospital? Then you say Sakusi hospital at the Atachi airport no. And I said, then why don't we let us shift agenda 111 to the airport enclave?
Okay.
You see, and I'm a cotton side anymore. So I wrote to them series of letters. I don't release it 10 days mine.
Wow.
See, I'm not say ya clear land didn't relocate to Obomo so you to be free so I say you to foundation. I see you offices, site office horses here in Wajuma. Agenda 111 go there and see. So I sold the idea to the airport companies. A company bought the idea. And my Kofi say the kwame to be sit time mechanism. Na the kwame to mercy. I had one thing. The crew of Fahamra, not say SMC emergency or airport Fahamra. So we have been able to negotiate. Leadership is not about changing a box. You're supposed to think now we digest it, then we come out with the new policy.
And all this is within 2 years.
In 2 years. So I just want no more sipeti mpomo and amuko and abu no they can tell. They can testify to it. I want you to also we crack say you be say school 5,000 population. This year we have been able to you didn't say we are my or konya baby for my relocate manu ko metro mass and then transport arrangement bibia man am I here cry my sa boa mu tutu mu nyoma nyina mo bia tutu ni bibia ehia bia ansa na ye di machine ko clear ho nyina. Now they are clear debris no astate foundation na omu agena 111 e wa sokore mampon. Sisi ame no kasa e wo sisi ya.
So to be na oba beji a omo kan.
Oh we ye fee fixing.
Okay.
Every year bia no e fee fixing.
Okay.
What I say? And Ministry of Finance omoma a certain adjustments gap.
Okay.
What I mention no. Enti yeba na se motiase a fine. One tiase a anya force. In the area, ya projection and a calculation. And running say stakeholders consultation. Anybody I'm calling and run. And then we from a stakeholders consultation.
And to me, young concluding.
There be say
public engagement.
Yeah, engagement in the
is a reaction or man. Okay.
And the we na say bibia we na say dodo no adwene be kire no. Then we implement it. So dodo na adwene na say yen to aso ne ntuma. Nya nipa ba ko fo asa mo be kan ye no.
Na say mo revenue ne nya mo ana mo gigi.
Any property rate.
Property
rate in our source Ghana Revenue Authority.
We a general fixing
by BOT.
You need those things.
Your money a station in the it is assembly that collects.
And one I alarmed no you are the engagement stage.
Yeah, bisa mu. Sa ba na se de bia kwa ko bisa adwenkyere. Wo bisa adwenkyere ni wi a na fe de wo kwa de nipa na dodo na adwen ba kire mu na normally so ko kira adwen a na projection normally we implement it.
Okay.
And as me I will be frank with you. As I make it because this cannot jam me assembly me sign check.
Okay.
That no me ka kire mu say me the check kora ba me sign bi. I'm not ma me kwa me sign check. Me the answer be kire me na me na e be boa na makase monkoye. Ma monkoye senti. Sika kora yi kora no me nyi bi me so assembly scam. And so be jina ba ka MC sika na say why na me show mu say na because I don't sign check. I don't hold money. I don't do anything.
Okay.
Me the answer say I will advise and approve say we there expenditure we e yes mo be use ti mo nkonko use all the mention.
Okay. We'll be wrapping up your time now. So, Maminya, yes. 30 minutes. I'm saying you're crying. Because a lot of people at the constituency would want to talk. I wish tomorrow we can continue this discussion. We need to continue.
If it's good for your time.
No, it's good because a lot of constituents they want to call.
Listen to me, Kofi, as a Korean,
yeah,
we need to decode the area. If I say decode the area, one was a Maya Jenny say of all the municipal constituencies that were coming in, I said, why 70 a different. On Zanako, yeah, a hodia, say, what castle be crank or any pan visa or crocko. Me rekas me crazy, na me case me crazy. This can go to minimum. You know, I was not feeling comfortable at all. But when you enter the place,
it's a nice place to.
And I want to say the people are so welcoming, so cooperative, and those things. Although we have the recalcitrance,
yeah,
you will be a and Americans will be no be no be. But omunu ye juma, omo be support too. They will give you all the necessary, you know, wako. Anyway, you be so. Enti ama for no suru eho.
Okay.
So Sokorema Mpona say as someone say what this. Debbie. Ubuna. If you respect them, and
also
they respect you.
Very respect you.
What the mention?
So
why you say Ubuno on Vana Yashia?
So quick final comment. You need to wrap up. Tony Besta.
Kaka meka actually Sokorema Mpona for ne Kumasi for ne Ghana for muti nyina ne say. Yanom de yakoye adwuma.
Yeah.
Ti adwuma na ye boss waye. Ana me obi ni wa why politics do me mfie ya. And the number of years, or when I been so back, yeah, the BSN within just 2-3 years.
Okay.
On the mention because some of us we have brands, and that brand, so we don't want to dent that brand. We want the brand to be there.
Yeah.
Anna as a Roman Pono, a Juma na Yakoya near Chomodiako. In the Quambi a Befaswa, Ebenya, a dimpa, a France of Roman Pon, Ebenya.
Okay.
Nedia free.
Okay.
Intimacy say. Ma obi anye so much alarmed na ma obi antiti se man crofo kan be breakwa ye nyina en kan bom sa a problem o wa obi ani wa ma we say me office on me book appointment
obi atimba
oba ho the only chance one book one kan terms of oba na oba ho abrekwa menya we na obi ho de abetwen.
Yeah,
because a line.
It's all by Chris and Petan best.
Oh no, you are always welcome. One of my say oba obetwen. But say be as already me wo appointment na so woni match share one day na also be am about 10. Over 10 I'll receive you.
Okay.
Simple say me oba no be to work na me mo abetena inside me office whilst I talk because obi a wona say ma obeka. So one mention no. Intimacy room so wo problem you can come. Me go tie obi asem na say me mo adwene po say MC ni say obi nya papa. Oh, na dey back was obi ehun say memfa obi tan a wo tan obi emma nipa na nka nkyere na so nko tan nipa kro.
Okay.
So obi kan obi so obi nya papa ben nipa kro na hwe ona me no yesi we nya papa ben ne hwe ukọ na odidiwa na fe de wo asem bia na na ide naka na de obi di na no kan say wonya no na won so afa ne say wonye.
Okay.
You should come closer to see because only be okro mba officer near say so ba hakra so ne nka so na fe de won ye kasa. Some people come to my office after talking to them no mu be ko no my shocked. Okay. Sometimes they will be get most of them bobu of funkrofobia obi no mu dis ankomo no e mesre wo obia so wo problem obi to me aba assembly ho. Okay. Now ni ide abeka ho asem ye wo nipa mako about 195 ade bia o mu adwomo.
I see.
And to say a pet crofo mo solve problem no ye benya crofo a o mbe boa ma den asolve sa problem nti wo de problem no fabra me MC dia bia ne say oba na ye works na mdo ma works for oba na ye fiscal plan no ma fiscal planning for oba na environment no ma environment oba na security no ma security for nti me dia ne say me kire nipa o mo nya adwuma no
thank you very much
200 no o mu adwuma o mo ye
okay JB Potter's wheels of ministry na ye na fi
Saturday we no mo yes Saturday Sunday we
Sunday
and no mo yes dwumadi kese we o se bra na besu anim de na beje nyame tumi na so tumi fa ball bra e no be boa pa o so mo be no wo amankwatia school premises one ma I ben baba era sports stadium o mo number no 0540 389098 0540 389098 and 0243 213809 0243 213809 and AJ group of companies
but you go so kai say akosombo spillage course no media general yajeje mwa
yeguso
de ekwa
ebinu de omde aba nti obeso betumi de odi aba in fact obetumi de ntoma aba obetumi de sika aba say na chief kai ne sika na akoka ayifo no ho no protofo no mo nya fa ma mo mo fa bra de fa nka ne package
ne crab birthday crab we sika
and that's birthday crab nya it's number be fresh so 0243 128282 0243 128282 make I said number we a media general number I'll bet me open donation bet me a fresh so a media general and a trade foundation and officially yes Jumadi and now so say be a open source a merchant number so 120494 120494. 120494. Maybe I'll person send mumu. My chance number 120494.
Okay.
And no number.
JB, your time now. So,
Yes.
your birthday wishes. Of course, as we've already known, today, JB birthday. Happy birthday to JB. I Radisha. No cry on your case.
No fan ko kan nu a wako US ho na awode no. The friend is asenso.
Omunyina ko jame o. Omunyina ko jame.
Omuko eboga.
Anyway, I see. So happy birthday, JB.
As asenso what targeted the JB but is award.
I tell you.
Asenso award show.
I heard what was the piano monitor? Now, of course, Nana Sensumensa, good morning. And happy birthday to Prophet Dr. David Akwesibedu, General Overseer of Oil Palace Ministry, who will work on Merkro from the nation's fighter. Radisha, na onyo Kesie. Happy birthday to Prophet Dr. David Akwesibedu, General Overseer of Oil Palace Ministry, Ebuakwa Merkro. Also, the nation's fighter said, "I will show happy birthday at the mount." The nation's fighter, your birthday wish we Emma Menam. You're sorry to not on the best and take you over in his seat. And yes, this birthday encore Emma, the very Reverend Dr. Abraham Boateng, or your lecturer at Trinity Theological Seminary. And of course, on one so and a year leader at the Love Like So Bolo group or church, everything about love, is a minister of the Methodist Church Ghana, the very Reverend Dr. Abraham Boateng. Doc, my friend, Papa, Radisha, now on your case. God bless you. And may God continue to expand and increase your food. I mean, sure. Happy birthday. Because on that note, you better say, and Kennedy, Minia can come and pay. We've had a very, very long discussion. Also, by now, as a time to cry with us. Oh, the time to say. Of course, I never had much now. So, yes, within 2 years, I think it's not bad. But Ochina ye baby, and I would give you more time for the listeners because on the consequence in Omna, no, and most of the things, of course, they will be the best to judge.
My planning officer.
Okay.
I could do pictures for 20. Yeah, no. We have to do that.
Yes. No. Production, no, your planning officer and the but production team will have to go.
No, they should go. They should go to our plan. So, site in on the 20 site. The Edru.
Yeah, Bible project is a we can buy or can we. These are the things that are there. Thank you very much.
Physical project.
Of course. Yes. Yes.
So you can
production team will do that. 20 best.
Production team office.
Akoma 87.9 FM. Thank you very much.